morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome back to another London session stream. It is Tuesday, April 28th. We got some big news happening tomorrow. So today is the sort of the the eve before the big FOMC release, and also some big major data and earnings coming out as well as that. So today is going to be quite the day on the charts. I think potentially we could be stuck in some chop today. But regardless, guys, it is all about discipline. So that is what we're all about here on the London session. If we get setups, we're going to take them. If we don't get setups, we are just going to sit out. We're going to chill. We got 3 hours together, guys. And yesterday we hit some record numbers here in the London session. So I hope everyone's brought their family along, and whoever was around yesterday, I hope you guys are back to stay. We want to see those numbers, guys, because we will do more giveaways as the numbers increase. So yes, yesterday we broke through 1,000 viewers, and we did do a very special giveaway for that. But let's see today, potentially new record number here in the London session. Why not? I'm always shooting for the stars. Why the hell not? Now I'm going to do a quick good morning because I think I forgot to do that yesterday. So let me see who's here nice and early. Good morning, Heinz Steak. First comment of the day. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, 1DA7BP. Good morning, Sarab. Good morning, Mawasi. Good morning, Henru. Good morning, Lil Banana Cat. Good morning, Remy. Good morning, Wesley. Good morning, NDB. Now, NDB, no spamming today. I'm on to you. Good morning, J Trades. Good morning, Anod. Good morning, Fitnam, Shell Shocked. Kyle, good morning. FX Peter, good morning. Mr. Jazz, G for Geo, hey, what's going on? IP, Ado. Geez, there are so many of you nice and early and on time. I love it. Andre, good morning. Amia, Andrea. Shit. I can't get to all of you. Oh my gosh, guys. I need to get quicker at this. Rock, Suki, Syratan, Alpha, 2+ backwards, Xkitra, Matthew. All right. Good morning to you all. It is too hard to get to you all, but I hope everyone's been crushing it. If you've taken trades already, I hope you guys are ready for another killer session. We took the profits yesterday. We took the profits on Friday. It's been going very well for the London session here. So let's hope it's another green session for us all. Now, I'll get straight into my analysis since Frankfurt has been open for the last 2 minutes. So I will get straight into it, and then I will throw it to you guys. Let me know if you guys are in trades already or whatnot. I have not taken a trade yet, so I am eager as usual. But yeah, let's get straight into it, and I will throw it over to you guys. So this is NQ as usual. I will break it down from the daily and let you know what I'm seeing. So looking at the daily, what we have so far, daily candle is currently an inside candle, so haven't yet expanded too much to the upside to take out that previous day high. Still intact there at 27,542.50. We still have that level intact. Also, that is current all-time highs. So interesting to see. We are yet to make all-time highs today, but each and every day we have been breaking new all-time highs. So potentially that is on the cards for us today on NQ as a potential target of liquidity. This is also previous day low level sitting at 27,298.50. So right now we do have a bearish daily candle. Looks like we could be potentially heading down into this previous day low level to take that out, and that would tap nicely into this bullish gap that we have here on the daily. And if we are to expect bullish price action to continue in this huge bullish price run that we have had on the NQ, I would expect to see this bullish daily gap hold, have this midpoint respected. When I say respected, I wouldn't want to see a candle closure below this 50% level on the daily. And if we are to continue inverting this, then maybe that is time to potentially for the bears to come out and finally take back control. Because guys, you know, I hate longing. I hate being in these market conditions, but it has been okay. It has been the longs have been paying off. So that is the daily. That's the daily time frame. If we break it down, going lower here, the 4 hour starting to look like we have a bit of a pullback. Not going to call this a reversal because we are still in this bullish leg. Haven't broken or closed below any swing points here. Previous day low for me is definitely a key area I'm watching for the bears potentially to take out before then making a move to the upside. Yes, Asia low has been swept. You'll be able to see that a bit clearer on the 15. So this is my Asia kill zone low, by the way, guys. So yes, the actual Asia low is still intact, but in terms of how I trade the Asia session, this level has been swept. So right now I am potentially liking the look of longs, but I would like it more so if we get a sweep of previous day low. I think that would be a cleaner area to long out of, given that that low and this low make relatively equal lows. So for me, those are key targets that I like to see swept out before we get some sort of reversal to the upside. Also, given that the 4-hour candle right now has just opened and it is a small inside candle, I, as you guys know, want to see that sweep. And right now we are very close to that previous 4-hour low level, 27,350. If we do get a sweep of that, I will be looking for longs. But hear me now, I'm saying I would prefer a cleaner long if we get down into previous day low. But it's not, it doesn't have to happen. I could still potentially take a long if we sweep out this previous 4-hour low and there's a clean enough setup. I will take it. But that is what I'm currently looking at. Daily open we had at, we've got it here at 27,423. We pretty much moved up slightly to make a top wick here and then have gone down ever since. Asia range was, what did we have? Bit of a move in Asia, 126 point range in Asia so far that we made overnight. So not the biggest range to work with, but we have already broken out of there, swept those levels. And so I like this for potential longs. Potential. Let's see what this 4-hour does. That's all from me, really. I'm very close actually to passing this 150K. I did my numbers wrong in my sizing yesterday, and I'm out by like $70. I need like an extra $70 to pass this account. And then that can go to activate funding straight away because Tradeify is goated like that. So let's hope we can get that. I just literally need $70. Now there's a couple of ways I could go about that as well. I was thinking like I could just throw a contract on and need like 2 points. If we want to risk it, if we want to do that, we could. Or we could do it like micros and just sort of like take a proper trade with micros and then hold it for like, well, $2 a point. I'd need like 35 points. A 35-point trade. I don't know. Over to you guys. Whatever you guys think I should do, I will let the chat decide. I think personally I should just chuck a contract on and, you know, take the $70 and run with it. Just hope for the best. Because literally I would just only need 2 points. But we'll see. Right now, this is the 1 minute and you can see we're stuck in a bit of consolidation. Frankfurt has opened, but we sort of have gone nowhere. This is currently looking like we're in some bearish price action here, making lower lows. But yeah, like I said, previous 4-hour low is definitely a key level for me to see swept, and then previous day low next. So let's see how we react at previous 4-hour low first and then go from there. Now, that is all from me. I'm about to lose breath over here. I need a drink of water. How is everyone doing? How is everyone's trading been today? Did you guys trade Asia? Did you trade New York? I took the evening off for me. I was visiting family, so I had the green London session and then yeah, took my profits and went to dinner. So I didn't trade New York for me. But how did everyone go? All right, Andre says 700 away from passing 3 accounts. Let's go, Andre. Let's hope today's the day for us. Let's pass them together. But I'm not going to be forcing anything. We don't want to be doing that. What's up? What's up, Thomas? Morning, Corey. All right. G for Geo says, Roman, bring out the guitar again, please. Potentially, G for Geo. We are not going to say that's not going to happen. Maybe we have to wait for Nick to bring the guitar out, but you never know. You never know. We'll keep that one a surprise for you if we're going to bring Roman out. Roman already confirmed. Yep, we'll do. So at some point today, we will have Roman's amazing guitar riffing in the back to soothe us while we trade. Hey, Justin. 1DA is nice. Had the same idea. Sweep of the daily. Okay, cool. We're thinking the same there. Like the live 300 to unlock Nick. 300? All right, let's talk about that number. So yesterday I said 390 likes to unlock Nick and we smashed that. So I'm going to say like, I'm going to up it a little. I'm not going to lie. I'm going to say 400. It's not that crazy. Like there was over like 500 of you in here yesterday. So I'm going to say 400. Let's hope it's the same. You know, you guys are showing up. You just got to smash the like button and we'll get that giveaway done as soon as Nick gets here. And we will also unlock Nick at the same time. So 400 likes and we'll do it. I mean, it was only 10 less yesterday. It's not so crazy. All right. Okay, I'm super slow at reading comments today. Okay, Roman said, Celine, shall we say 400 likes unlocked? Yes, me and Roman are thinking the exact same. Love it. Love it, Roman. Yes, 400 likes, chat. You heard us. All right, no trades for me yet. Up 600 from Asia. Nice. 9J Prince. Very nice. Justin says, Brosley, New York was so bad. Why? What happened in New York? I literally have not even looked at the New York session. Guys, what happened? Am I glad I wasn't there? These days, honestly, guys, I feel like London session has been giving us the trades. Like, it's been clean. And then I haven't even had to look at New York because I've been able to take my bag and go to sleep. So for me, I'm not complaining because I was kind of annoyed that I was going to be in Melbourne for this long to be trading New York session, but I haven't had to trade it lately because London has been printing. So I'm glad about that. What would it take to unlock you, Celine? Well, Cortez, I'm free. I come in here and I'm absolutely free. No likes to unlock me, but to unlock Nick, 400. All right, Thomas. Hi, Celine. What time do you consider the Asian session to finish? Your indicator seems to market very early. Okay, so I use what's called kill zone hours. This is a concept from ICT, potentially from others in the space, but this is who I learned it from. Basically, kill zone hours for the Asia session goes from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. midnight. So that's how I read and mark up the Asia session. So when you see my labels, Asia session, Asia high, Asia low, that is those hours. Now, I use this indicator called sessions and key levels. So you can like completely change this up and put the hours that you trade the Asia session. You trade the full session to Tokyo close or whatever. So that is how I trade it anyway. But yeah, hope that makes sense. All right, Schmitzel, previous 4-hour low SMT with ES. Wait, what? Let's just check on ES. I always forget to have ES up here some days. No, we don't have an SMT there. That low has not been swept. As you can see, it's still a solid line. That line will go dashed if we get a sweep. So right now, no SMT. Previous 4-hour low is still intact on both ES and NQ. Unless it's different on MES, MNQ. Not sure. But this is NQ ES. Oh, Claudia was there for NY session. Damn, I missed that one. Claudia's the best. New York was slow and wiki. Ugh. Okay, good. I'm glad then I wasn't trading. Henry says, yeah, I've been giving away my Asia gains to NY for like a week now. Bro, if it's not giving you, if sometimes like you just are not in rhythm with a sort of session sometimes, or even like a whole market, just take a step back. Let it work itself out. I think New York session has been that way for like the past few weeks, honestly. We've just like been so driven by tweets and just random news. Like I don't think anyone knows what to do when it comes to the New York session. It's just been so, I don't know. For me, it's been hard to read. So I'm actually glad I'm able to trade in these hours and trade the London session and just get off because, yeah, New York has not been fun to trade. But yeah, if it's really not, your strategy isn't really working out in the New York session and you're finding that you're given all your gains back, I would just take a step back. You'll probably realize that if you just trade Asia session, keep your profits, like you'd probably be at least close to a payout or passing that eval or just, yeah, much more profitable at the end of the week. So have a think about that. Do you really have to trade the New York session? Hey, Celine, quick question. How do you get that trading checklist on your screen? Okay, I will answer this once and once only because we get this every single day. So I hope you all have joined the stream because I need to just maybe put this as a disclaimer on when we start the stream. Basically, this checklist belongs to the Celine Trades indicator that I had custom built with a PineScript developer. So this checklist is just based on how I trade. The bias is basically linked to the 4-hour candle. So if the 4-hour low gets swept, this bias will turn bullish because I use the 4-hour candle to determine what direction I want to see price trade in and where my bias is for the session. So right now it's neutral because previous 4-hour low and high is obviously still intact. So until we get a sweep, I'm neutral bias. No idea. Inside candles, don't like trading them. Want to see a sweep of its previous 4-hour high or low before I have a bias there. High time frame sweep and intermediate time frame sweep is just basically the settings where I like to see an alignment between a high time frame. So for me, that's a 4 hour and the 15-minute as my intermediate. And then once I get a sweep of both time frames that align, so when the previous 4 hour low and previous 15-minute low is swept, I am then looking for a long setup. And that long setup is the inversion on the 1 minute. So when I get a green, all these checklists are green, I am good to go. I am set up as printed. Then it's just up to me and my discretion whether I think in terms of the context of the session, the day, the time, is there news coming out, all those things to consider. Then I will consider whether it is a good enough setup for me. But yeah, that is the checklist. All right, the Rias, I am 600 away from passing 250k SLX. All right, guys, we are all so close. Okay, let's do this together. We are not going to just jump into any trades here. I mean, some of us are $70 away. Some of us are $600, $700. We're very close, guys. Okay, this is not the time to be forcing any trades. It feels close, but it can also be just as far away if you just make a really shitty mistake. So keep locked in. This is the time you need your focus more than ever. All right, we're very close to passing. Come on. Hasteling, can you look into gold as it is rounding around the last FEG? Meldon, let me have a look what you're talking about there. We can look at gold. Mouse is not working today. Let's just expand this. Okay, gold right now. Okay, looks like it has had quite the move to the downside since Asia there. We have just been selling off. Definitely have some bearish price action. Daily is just continuing to look like it wants to see more lows here, right? So we're very close to this swing low on gold. I'd like to see how price reacts at these lows here on the gold daily chart, because these are areas where we have equal lows. And for me, that's an area of price I like to see how we react. Are we going to use this as a sweep as we usually would on NQ? But I am not as experienced trading gold. So I don't know if these are levels that we're going to respect, use as liquidity sweep, and then make the move to the upside. Or if we close through here, these lows, then I'd probably be more interested to see more bearish price action on gold. Gold is also very heavily dependent on what the hell is going on between the US and Iran right now. Obviously, it is a fear asset. So if we get like some major news come out, you might see a pump in gold or even a dump, depending on what that news is. So I'm sort of steering clear from gold right now. Not too sure what we want to do, but if things do seem to be easing out in terms of the war, or the not so much war, not sure what's going on there, but we could see gold start to make a drop here, which it does look like it is starting to cool off and start to drop a bit here. But for me, unless we get a sweep of previous 4 hour low, I probably wouldn't want to take a long. And this dashed line is that line I just drew up from the daily as well. So we're very close to that level I wanted to see swept. It's actually this low here from the 12th of April's low. So let's see. That is sort of what I'm looking at on gold. This is a key level. Let's see how we react down at 4626. And if we respect and hold, it could be a nice long out of there. But back to NQ. G4G, Celine, love you, do, but it's hilarious how late you read the chat. I know, I'm so bad at this. I read one question, then I'll answer it for like 10 minutes, and then I come back 10 minutes later and like everyone's already over that comment and moved on. This is like the only time, when it's me streaming alone, it's the only time you can maybe ask your question twice, because there's a chance I've probably missed it. But that was for all you gold traders out there. I just did a quick rundown of what I was looking at. Wild Savasline, explain one more, please. No, not explaining again. Trolls in the chat. Hey Selena, I keep having good trading sessions, but getting too greedy, start over trading to make up my losses, then blowing my account. Do you ever have that problem when you started advice? Yes, 31 Stormer, absolutely. So having good trading sessions is something like, obviously it is a great feeling when you have a great session, end up green, and just want more. I think it's only natural because we love to win. We love to see profits, but that is probably one of the hardest things, to know when to call the day. Like, enough is enough on the session. So something like setting, I don't know if you guys saw my recent YouTube video, but something like setting a daily profit target can be just as helpful as setting, daily loss limits. So most accounts, like if you trade with Tradeify or even in Tradeify, you can set your own daily loss limit. So you only go below a certain amount. I highly recommend you do this for profit taking as well. So you reach a certain profit target, you're done. You're done for the day. No more trading. For example, on a 150K account, that could be anywhere between like $500 on the day or $1,000, depending on your risk appetite and how far away you are from. Oh, my phone is not on silent. So sorry for that. But depending on, how far away you are from that profit target, that could definitely work. Having a $500 profit daily target. And once you hit that, you're gone. I think that could really help you. So maybe start implementing that. Morning. Hey, Jimmy. Morning, Jimmy. Harry Singh, love your style. Thanks, Harry. Trader Sarav, what's your bias for NQ and gold? Don't have a clear bias on gold at the moment. There was a level on gold I was waiting to see. We just went over it, but pretty much just waiting to see this level on gold sitting at 4626. It's these equal lows. This major swing point and these equal lows on gold. Let's see how we react there. Potentially a good area to sweep and then react off and have a reversal potentially and long off there. But I'm got my eyes on NQ because that is my baby. That is what I usually trade, what I feel more comfortable trading, and what I plan to trade today. But right now for NQ, also have an inside candle, no sweep at the previous 4-hour low or 4-hour high on NQ. So I'm waiting for a reaction there. Right now, I don't like trading inside candles. And guys, we do have lots of earnings coming out tomorrow. So majority of the Mag 7 are I think it's Microsoft, Google, Meta, like everyone's earnings tomorrow. So we could have a quiet market waiting for those numbers to come out and also FOMC data to come out as well. So I'm also not expecting the most volatile session given that, but anything can still happen. We'll just wait and see. Good morning, Legacy. Good morning, Trader Aradian. Good morning, Surab Haslane. I'm long in ES. Awesome. Good luck on the longs. I am personally not in anything yet. That's just because I don't see anything from my system. But yes. Can you tell me your reaction to Spuds reacting on you? Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't get around to watching that. I'm so sorry. But yeah, you'll have to remind me. I forgot what you guys were reacting to in the stream. I completely forgot. Ardo just got 90 pips on gold. Let's go, 90 pips. Hell yeah. What is the main strategy you trade, Wesley? Okay, Wesley, I trade like an ICT-based system of reversal. So I like to see liquidity points being swept and then I like to take the reversal once we've swept out. So I fail to see when we're breaking lows, like for example previous day low, I fail to see that as a breakout. I just can't. I will never be shorting that. I'm the trader that's looking for the long and the signal for this to be a failure, like fake out, whatever you want to call it, liquidity sweep, and then get in the reaction, the bullish reaction out of that and take the longs once those levels have been swept. But more specifically for me, I use the previous 4-hour candle to sort of set up how I'm going to trade the session. So once I get a sweep of previous 4-hour low, aligned with usually a sweep of the key session prior, so like the Asia low in this instance, I'm looking for a reversal reaction off that. And for me, that is when it aligns with a 15-minute sweep, and then I get a strong reaction in the way of an inversion for value gap on the 1 minute. That's when I'm taking that long every single time. And yeah, I've given myself those strict rules just to help with my mental approach to trading, because sometimes there's so many things you could call liquidity sweeps. There's so many things you could call gaps and everything in the market. So everything I trade should be very it should just look the same every single time. My setups don't really change. It's just only sometimes given the context. I'm not going to take that setup every single time. Based on, if we're in a very bearish, and it feels like I'm just, trying to catch the knife there, I will stay out of the longs until I see like a stronger bullish reaction that I'm happy to take. But yeah, always a 1 minute inversion. FVG is the entry I'm taking though. Hey, for 31 Storm, 1100 for ages so far, but again, I feel like that's not enough. Was down 2k and came back. Hold on. 31 Stormer. So you were down 2k. Now you're up 1100. So you've already made back your 2k plus 1100. Like you're up 3k in one trade. I'm calling it there. I don't know what size you're trading. Like, are you going in heavy? I don't know what sort of, size you're actually trading there, but that's a good day to be up 3k. Technically, you've had a 3k trade. You're up 1100. I'm out of there. I'm calling that. If you can do that every day, like, this is the thing with trading. Like, people forget. I don't know also if you're trading personal as well as prop, but with prop, that's 1100. Say you're in 150k funded. Like, you only need to do that 9 times and that's a payout. So you guys need to think about and remember like the value of how much you're actually trading, because I feel like it's so easy to forget when you're, making, especially when you times it across like multiple accounts. Like, I know $300 doesn't sound like a lot, but when you times that across multiple prop accounts, it's a lot of money. It's someone's probably month salary. It's probably your month salary. And yeah, you need to think about trading like that sometimes, because it can definitely put you back, humble you back, and definitely help your profitability and consistency, because you realize, okay, that is actually a lot of money. If I do that X amount of times, I will get that payout really quick. I will get that account funded really quick. So start to think about those 1100 days as a lot more serious than what you think. Yeah, G4G says 1k is most people's paycheck. Legit. That's someone's week. You just made it. You actually made 3k in one trade. That's already like someone's potentially their month. So I think definitely think about that, and be happy with profit, honestly, because a lot of people can't even do that on the day. So if you're ending the day green, whatever it is, like I said, 31 Stormer, I said set a daily profit, work it out based on how much you have to go in your account if you are trading prop, and I hope you're trading Tradeify prop, but work out what your profit target is. If it's 9k, work out, okay, I've got this much in drawdown. This is what I'm going to give myself as a profit, as a daily profit target. Once it's hit, you're gone, out of there. And I just think for someone like you who finds it easy to overtrade and not stop, that I think that's a good way to do it. Okay, Roman, yes, guys, 400 likes to unlock Nictator, the Nictator with and also a giveaway. So if you're just joining, make sure you've smashed the like button. Let me see, what are we at? Because once we get to 400 likes, chat, I said I will do a giveaway, and we will also be bringing Nick on for the fun 2 hours ahead of us. So we're only 152 likes. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not really there. So like, come on. We want to do giveaways. We want to smash new records in the London session because we're going strong. Balaji, Roman 400 is hyper. Bro, Balaji, it is not. We did 390 yesterday. We did way more than 390. We actually like smashed. I think by the end of the stream, we were like way over 800 likes. So I'm not even going to, entertain that. 400 is nothing. I still think it's way too easy. Nikolai, people are hardcore. I swear I need like 2.5 across 8 accounts, and people are trading 3 on 1. Yeah, like what the hell? Making 3k, if that was on 1 account as well, that is insane. Like the beautiful thing about trading Tradeify prop is like you can make $300. That's enough. And you times that across your 5 fundeds, that is quick maths. That's $1,500 in a day. And all you've done is made a $300 trade, which like is pretty reasonable to do. Like when you're trading NQ, for example, $20 a point. It's not crazy. That's all I'm saying. Sometimes it's just about base hits, and you have to realize like making 3k in one trade is actually a big deal. I think people forget because they see these inflated numbers on social media and it doesn't feel like enough, but like what the hell? When did it become like 3k making that in a trade is not enough? Crazy. People need reality checks. How can we join on the giveaway? Rave Euphoria. We will be doing the giveaway via a Google form later on when Nick gets here. Basically, you just have to fill it out and then we'll do a spin the wheel. Yeah, Wild Safa says people will not take $350 on a trading day where that's almost a full day's wage and more. Crazy. Literally, I could talk about this forever, but I don't know how many times you guys need to hear it. I needed to hear it a lot in the beginning too, like trying to hold trades and, you know, not trail my stop and not go break even because I wanted more and more and more. But it's like, hold on a minute. When you use prop properly, and you can 10x, 20x this across multiple accounts, why do we need to be making 3K in one trade? Make that $300 and 5x that across your fundeds, and you are making $1,500 in that one single trade without barely any risk, with barely any stress, because it's, you know, only a $300 trade compared to a $3,000 trade. And it's just you're more consistent that way. Are you Australian? Yes. If you didn't know by the accent, yes, I am. Andre the Giant. I mean, I have now 3 50K accounts, just 300 profit. Yep. Is 3 times $300 is $900. Yes. In one trade. It's one day. Then you go $900 times 5 is $4,500 US a week. Andre, that is the best way to put it. People forget. Guys, that's someone taking $300 in one trade, which to some of you might not seem like a lot, but if you can do that every day, just that small $300 trade, that small $300 trade, that's $4,500 US. You show me someone who's making that. Okay? Guys, we need to all be reality checked here. If that's not enough, I don't know, go somewhere else. But there aren't a lot of traders that consistently can do that. So if I have growth sim funded 25K times 5 accounts, I only need 300 to make it with consistency and all right. You can make as much as you want, but just keep in mind with the 25K funded, like you only need a certain profit target. I can't remember off the top of my head, but like the 50Ks, you only need $3,000. Like you need to work it on based on the size of the account as well, how much you need to make each day, but you do need to stay within consistency. Yes, of course. Jonathan, Celine, the issue with that is people only start off with one prop account and they try build it up, so they need to take the process slower. I had a friend who couldn't grasp that idea as he was seeing. Oh yeah, I definitely was part of that group as well in the very beginning. Like just trading, I've said this before on stream, like just trading one eval is what I was doing, trading one funded account until I could like see improvements and consistency, and it finally eventually 16 months later a payout. But it's hard. You feel like you need to make more and more and more in the one account, where that doesn't work. It just doesn't work. You're better off getting those multiple accounts once you've obviously proven to yourself that you can fund, you can pass an evaluation, and you can get a payout. Once you're there, I highly suggest putting those profits into building more accounts up, taking the same size small trades, the $300, you know, I say $300 to $500, depending whatever account size you're trading with. But, you know, then you just 5x that. It's so much better putting your money in the accounts that way than risking more in the one account. It's just, it's math at the end of the day. But yeah. Andrew says just have to be aware of some copy traders. I mean, I've never had problems with Tradeify copy trader. Your accent leans more towards American. Okay, that is so interesting. I haven't heard that before. I usually get British. Sometimes I get British on here, but never American. So interesting. Wixie, we're going to change your name to C Range. Asia moved till you came on. Literally. I'm not even mad about that. No more C Money. It's C Range. What the hell is this? I get on stream and then NQ does this. Great. Fun. By the way, I'm not like, you know, everyone has their own like financial journey they're on as well. I'm not encouraging you guys to go and buy all these accounts if you have no means to do so, because it is obviously a risk. So, but I'm just saying, once you're ready to put more money into your trading and you're ready that way, the best way is to just scale up your props, scale up your evals, and take the small trades, but trade them across multiple accounts. And that small trade doesn't seem so small anymore. Just like Andre mentioned in the chat before, the $300 trades, do that daily and you're making someone's like whole year salary in a month. hot coffee or cold coffee. Is that very Australian of me? Shorts from this 15-minute CB holding so hard. What? Oh, yeah. We are reacting out of 15-minute CB on NQ. I would say previous 4-hour low looks like a nice target sitting down here. I do want to see a sweep there. I wouldn't expect it to just reverse off here, but I will keep an eye on... Oh, we did get a sweep of previous 4-hour low there on gold. But going to keep an eye on ES as well, just in case there's an SMT at that low. Sometimes we get that. Oh, Rios, no. Hi, Salim. Have you made a video about your strategy? If so, where can it be found? I feel terrible. There was someone else asking about this last week. Guys, I don't know what it takes. I was sick. Hold on. I did get very sick over the weekend. So actually, that's the full reason why I wasn't able to film the video. But I got to do it. I have to do it whenever I got time. I will do it. I'm going to say Thursday. Lock it in. I'm going to have a video filmed for you guys Thursday. Strategy video. I will try to get it up the same day. But so many of you guys have been asking, so I will definitely do that. Yes, Ty Thomas, trade copier. Yes. Oh my gosh, J Trade says, I have $1,000 in $100 bills taped to all my 4 screens to remind me it's not just numbers on my screen, it works. Okay, that is such an interesting take. Not a bad idea. Guys, for all of you who fail to see the value of how much you're actually physically trading sometimes, because sometimes it just looks like numbers. Previous 4-hour low incoming here. There we go. Previous 4-hour low sweep. Going to hopefully see a reaction at this level. If it keeps breaking down though, chat, I'm just going to wait for that previous day low level. But let's see if we get that strong bullish reaction. Previous 15-minute low sweep as well. Also as all this liquidity that's being, built up here with all this consolidation. So don't mind the longs out of here. HL low sweep as well earlier on. So let's see. But guys, keep that in mind. The guy who had the cash strapped to his screen so he can always be reminded about how much money actually is at the end of the day. I think that's not a bad idea. It's so interesting. Asia has been so good, Justin. I know Asia and London together. Okay, I need to actually get this bottle out of my hand because potentially we are getting a bullish reaction out of here. Waiting to see if we are. So we've got that 1 minute gap now to work with. If we get a bullish inversion there, I will take that long. But yeah, Asia and London as well, Justin, has been very nice compared to New York. Which is so funny because in the beginning when I first started trading, I didn't even look at these sessions because I was like, oh, it's NQ. I'm only going to trade it in the New York session because that's when, stock markets are alive and well so. But you know what? It still moves. It actually moves cleaner lately in these sessions. What's your Instagram? I will drop the Instagram. Go and give it a follow. Celine.trades. And on Twitter, I'm Celine Trades. I need to get better at putting my trade recaps from my stream. I was very consistent at a time, putting my trade breakdown straight to Twitter after the stream, but I need to get back into that because we've been taking some killer setups and I haven't been able to repost them and put them on the Twitter for the full breakdown for you guys. So I will get back into doing that. So hopefully if we take a win today. 200 likes to go until we unlock the Dictator, and Roman, 200 likes to go until we do a giveaway. So make sure, chat, if you are just joining, make sure you are smashing the like button. Then I will be doing a giveaway when Nick gets here, and I will be unlocking my co-host, the Dictator. And if you're new here, by the way, we had so many viewers yesterday. So I know a whole bunch of you are new. Make sure you drop a comment. I can welcome you into the Tradeify fam personally. Give you a good morning, give you a shout out. Ern Castro, Celine. Oh no, this is the guy who told me to call him Lau. Sorry, Lau. Celine, I blew up 3 eval accounts for the past 2 months. I'm starting to doubt my way of trading. I need advice. Okay. one thing to think about is, how are you sizing in your trade? So it might not actually be, at the end of the day, your trading strategy, but it could be a lot to do with your risk management. That is a big part of trading and your trading strategy that I think not just you, but like a lot of people might miss. And I definitely missed in the very beginning. But when you're in drawdown, for example, how are you trading? Because you definitely shouldn't be trading with the same amount of size as you are when you are in profit. That's what I believe. That's how I trade anyway. It keeps your accounts protected for longer. And that way you can manage your drawdown a bit better. So definitely implement a risk management system, whether that's based on, for example, you want to always have, for example, 10 trades in your account. So if you go down in drawdown, you just want to be risky enough so that you always have 10 trades until it blows. So that is something definitely to consider. But if you have risk management worked out and you have all that together, then maybe it is a strategy thing. Maybe you need to go back. There is nothing wrong with going back over data, past data. Definitely, I love data myself. I always talk about that on stream. The only reason I trade the system I do is because I spent like a year back testing, strategy testing, and just finding patterns and things that didn't work to it, even to the point of like the size of the FVG that I want to be seeing inverted. So all those little things, without overfitting the model too much, like I know exactly what I'm looking for. So that's something that I would highly encourage you to go back and look at. How long have you been trading this strategy? Has it ever proven results to you? Why are you trading it? Go back and do all the back testing, but that's definitely my advice there. Jay said, hey Celine, I'm new here, just wondering what indicators you're using. I don't know, chat. Do we go through it again? I'm gonna say, Jay, I'll do it one last time. But we go through this every day on stream, and I know it's so boring for these guys, but basically using a sessions and key levels by Script Edge, you can just literally get it here. Sessions. Oh, if you just go. Anyway, if you just type in sessions and key levels, there we go. You can use this indicator here. That's the one I use. It's completely customizable to your liking. You can play around with the settings there. And then the other one is the Celine Trades one that I had built privately. I worked with the developer for that one. And there is a link to that in my Instagram bio, so you guys can have a look there. All right. That is that. How to participate in giveaway. There will be instructions later. We'll give you a giveaway, a Google form before we do the giveaway. So hold tight, guys. But we need how many likes? We need, hold on. Okay, we need another, less than 200. We need only another 160 likes, around that. That was quick maths. Another 160 likes to do the giveaway and also to bring Nick on. So make sure you guys are smashing the like button, please, so we can do the giveaway. Because yesterday we did some fun, interesting giveaways because there was heaps of you here. Welcome to all our new Tradeify gang members. Celine, how do you determine your bias? Okay, Yuan, bias for me is determined based on the previous 4-hour candle and how it's reacting to the previous 4-hour candle. So because we've had a sweep of the previous 4-hour low, I'm now looking for longs. I'm now bullish biased and I'm looking for longs. But in line with that, I'm not just going to long at any given point. I'm waiting to see an alignment with the 15-minute where we have swept out, like currently we've swept up the previous 15-minute low. And I am aware we have this previous day low, which does look like a juicy clean target that we've left a bit too clean down here. And I would prefer to see that swept before I take longs. But bullish because we've traded lower than the previous 4-hour low. So I expect this to see a manipulation here. And then in line with that, sessions being swept out, the manipulation of the session low, so Asia low, and then seeing distribution to the upside. But yeah, that is why I'm bullish on the session right now. Amia Cicely, what do you think about TJR's strategy? It's similar to yours. You just made it simpler. I have no idea how he trades, honestly. No idea. Your screen is having frame drop / lagging. Camera is fine. Oh, that's weird. Hopefully it's all good. I will try not to move it too much. Okay, wow. Interesting that ES had such a dramatic sweep there and NQ didn't. Or is that just because of the way the candles have been stretched out? No, that is like a completely like dramatic reaction there to that low. All right, like I said, we didn't get the reaction I wanted at previous 4-hour low. It does look like we're going to break down further. So now I'm waiting patiently to see how this previous day low reacts now. How we react to that level, sorry, on NQ before I get involved. CMA show. So Celine, glad you're better. Hold on a minute. I didn't realize my name was spelled with an S. Sorry. But hey, glad you're better. So thank you. What's your NQ game plan for London Open today? Looking for GP longs or waiting for an Asia sweep first? Okay, for me, looking for longs. My previous 4-hour low has been swept and I'm looking for longs. Schmitzel, you use your eval same risk management like funded. Interestingly, sometimes I have some evals I will just full port just to get them passed. Never used to in the beginning. Like I said, I used to trade evals very seriously just so I could prove to myself that I can pass them. But yeah, some of them I do. So for example, this one I have been trading like very regularly, very like you guys have seen, maybe 1 to 2 minis max on this account. And I'm like $70, sorry, off from being past that. So it is like, it just changes from time to time. Some of the evals I will for port and some I'm just sitting on just like I would funded. It's just for my mental clarity more than anything. There's no real reason. I don't encourage everyone to do that. Like evals, I think everyone should just be on for like no more than 2 days and just pass them and get them over with and get to the funded stage and then trade seriously. But only once you get to that stage in your trading where you are confident with your strategy and everything. Do you only trade NQ and ES? I trade NQ, not ES. I've only got ES here because I am watching for SMTs, but I only take my executions on NQ. Ardo says, I'm waiting for the war to short the hell out of NQ. I don't know what's going to happen with this war. I seriously don't, like, there is no escalation right now. I'm still waiting for some clear peace deal to be signed. And when that happens, yeah, all-time eyes are going to pump. Yeah, but we never know. We don't actually know. And who knows what's going to happen with earnings tomorrow? Seriously, like, we could definitely see, it's very interesting times we're in. But yeah, very big news drivers also tomorrow with FOMC. So very volatile session tomorrow, I am expecting. What is SMT? Phenom shell shocked. Okay, so SMT is when we have, we call it SMT divergence, when one correlated asset, so for example, we got NQ and ES are correlated assets. When one sweeps the low, like right now we have an SMT. So you can see this low on NQ was swept and we didn't sweep that on ES. So that is an SMT divergence. So we are weaker on NQ, stronger on ES, and at these times, like no, it's not always as strong on a 1 minute time frame, for example, but when it's high time frame, for example, oh, session disconnected. When it's high time frame, it can definitely be a strong signal of reversal there. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Basically, when two correlated assets, one fails to sweep the low or the high, and the other, then the other. At all, do you prefer watch SMT on MES or ES when you trade on micros? Interesting. I will answer that for me. I only watch NQ and ES for the charting, and I will take the trade on MNQ for execution sometimes, but the actual levels and charting and SMT, I take off NQ and ES. Celine, you tell me, should I re-up on another Tradeify eval right now or just wait for tomorrow so I can trade this eval I hit daily loss limit on? Oh, I'm not going to tell you what to do, Future, because I don't want that on my conscience. But I think if it was me, I'd just be loading up. I think I'd just be loading up at this point. But everyone's in a different situation, so that is not advice. You do you. Mr. 123 protein. When you full port, do you plan to pass it in like 2 or 3 trades? Yes. Sometimes one. Sometimes I will just take that crazy trade in the New York Open and just long it just to pass. But yeah, it depends. You obviously can't do that with all Tradeify accounts, no. But the growth accounts, you can. Surya, I see your question. I'm only ignoring because for those who are here on time, I have answered this question many times, so please don't spam. I'm using 2 indicators. If you go back in the stream like 10 minutes, you'll find me go over it, but I'm not going to go over it again. Sorry. Please stop spamming. Hey, morning, Leia. Leia says it was normal. Roman flight was good, but the flight back home is always longer than the one to your holiday destination. Oh, it's good that you're back safe and sound. I want to hear about Florence, though. How was it? All right, well, it's over 300 away from passing my last eval on... Okay. It's not Tradeify. I don't want to know about it. All right, David Clark. Here is a fun study for you. The low of every bullish order block has SMT divergence. Vice versa for bearish OBs, no matter the time frame. Interesting. Okay, I'm definitely watching these levels on ES and NQ. So ES's previous 15-minute low has not been swept, but NQ has. So we do have the divergence there. Chifachu, we are reloaded. All right, let's go. We love a reload. Okay, we are not far away from unlocking the Nictator. Roman is right. So make sure, chat, if you're just joining, come on, smash that like button. We want to do a giveaway. We want to do it as soon as Nick arrives in the next 10 minutes. So, yeah, over 500 of you here, and we literally only need 100 likes. So don't be lazy. Come on. 100 of you just need to smash that like button. Go and do it, and we'll do a giveaway. Any giveaway today? Trades by Arjun. Yes. If we hit the like counts, we will. We will do a giveaway. Leia says, it was incredible, Celine. The food, the drinks, the views. I woke up this morning wishing I was there. Instead, I got up and made breakfast for the kids. Oh, Leia, that I love that for you, though. I love a good holiday. But yeah, there's nothing worse than coming back to reality and realizing that those views are not an everyday thing. But I'm glad you enjoyed it. That's so exciting. And oh, your parents have a place near there now, right? So I guess you can go whenever you want. FX Peter says, Celine, maybe add an on-screen annotation showing which indicators you use. Anyone who asks will get a pen. But the indicators are here. Maybe I'll just leave them drop down like that so you can read it, right? Then you guys can see. We're very close to London Open. Keep that in mind. But I'm waiting to get... I want to just, put a trade in to get this $70 across the line. If this is a bullish inversion, I might have to take this. I might have to take this. Surya Prakash, sorry, I'm new to your video. May I know, do you take class? Sorry, what do you mean, do I take class? You're going to have to elaborate. Spider says, your giveaway is not important. Your knowledge sharing with us is very important. Oh, Spidey, I appreciate that. I know there are some of you who are in here just for the giveaway. Don't worry, I see you. But I appreciate that. I'm always going to be sharing. I mean, I'm not the most knowledgeable. I will say that every time. But I'll always share what I've learned because I wish I had Tradeify TV when I was first started trading, honestly. Because I was just figuring this shit out all on my own. All right, I am getting the bullish reaction there. If there is an inversion, I would be interested to just long that. I'm just trying to get this $70 off across the line so I can freaking bust this account. I'm just trying to pick the right moment, you know? Okay. That's not the moment. We're going to wait. We're 5 minutes away from the London Open. Let's wait. Justin, I just entered long sleeve. All right, let's go, Justin. I'm in this. I'm like mentally in this with you. Leah, who cares about giveaway? You get Selena, Nick. Love you, Leah. We will potentially have Nick soon. We don't have the Nictator yet, but like I said, once we get 400 likes in here, we will have him. We will. WhatsApp, I just came back from my honeymoon. The Blues are in. Oh, that sucks. I feel that. Oh, Surya Prakash, no, I don't have a mentorship. Nope. DLI, good morning. I just woke up and just joined the live. I almost swapped my eval yesterday. I feel like I always get FOMO taking trades on Tradeify whilst I always feel safe with TradingView. Any help, please? That's interesting. I mean, I don't know why. You got to understand a bit more about yourself then as a trader. Like what is it about Tradeify? If it's for example the colors and the color scheme sometimes can be a bit scary and intimidating on Tradeify. I get that, but that's easily customizable. But in terms of why you feel safer with TradingView, I'm not too sure how to respond to that because, you know, the charts are the exact same. They move the exact same. It is just candlesticks at the end of the day. But I mean, in terms of like if it's affecting your execution and you panic and you're just not trading with mental clarity, just trade on TradingView. I would literally just do what works for you. You've got to realize that. You don't know what works for one trader is not going to be the same for everyone else. It's the voice on Tradeify. No, because I've completely muted that now, but I totally get that. All right, Justin, longs are happening. Let's go longs. Whoever's in these longs, let's go. I mean, it's moving. I mean, it's not pumping, but it's moving. Yeah, guys, we are 3 minutes away from London Open. That means we are going to get joined by a very special somebody. We could call him special. Sometimes he's nice to us. Sometimes he's a Nictator. Okay, that's why we call him the Nictator around here. Now, over 600 of you here. We need 400 likes. We are 358 right now. 360. So 40 more likes and we will bring the Nictator on. And then we will have the next 2 hours to trade together, the London Open, and just hang out and have fun as usual. So let's go, chat. 40 likes. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. 2 more minutes. Justin Sling, let's get that $70. I know, chat. If you're late here, I'm trying to just work out where I want a long or short because I need $70 to bust this 150K. I'm trying to pick my moment here, pick my special moment. Pratheesh says he's a special gambler. That he is. I mean, we can say that when he's not here, but guys, the way he's been trading lately is gambling. It's like a straight up gamble. Oh, and as I say that, he joined the stream. Oh, that couldn't have been worse for me. Anyway, so we do have the Nictator in the background here. So let's see what our likes are at because we need to quickly get him on before the London Open. So let's go, chat. Over 600 of you here. What are we at? 378. Okay, come on. We're so close. We're literally so close. 20 more likes and we'll do the giveaway. Go. By the way, less than 2 minutes now from London Open. So just beware. Beware of the volume incoming. I'm refreshing the likes, chat. Come on, 20 more likes. Let me get my notes up for this intro here because I think you're going to smash the like count any second now. Come on, chat. Let's do it before London Open. Come on. Oh my gosh, 9 more likes. You guys are teasing. 9 more likes. There is like... Oh. All right. Sick. We did it. All right, let's go. It's time for me to introduce to you the whitey wearing and ever moving GP trading biohacking YouTube catching steak with ketchup abusing sample trolling intro creating KFC hating Five Guys loving paddle playing tennis playing squash playing water guzzling chat banning skydiving shark swimming parkour champing salmon mango sushi loving switch battle winning super slippery sock walking accent king definitely not CPI full porting no prep marathon running Nictator DMC strategy inventing Mario Kart king the one and only Nicholas Wickle.
Good morning. Hey, I really like this new part in the intro. That one is great. New favorite part.
That was just a special one.
Hope you're all doing well, chat. You already know the drill. Put a 1 in the chat. If you love making money, put a 1 in the chat. If you love trading, put a 1 in the chat. If you love the solo hour with Celine, because she absolutely crushes that, put an extra 1 in the chat for that. Put a 1 in the chat if you want to put a 1 in the chat. And put a 1 in the chat if you think the Dictator is the best ever to play Mario Kart in the entire world. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. It's so awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Cool. Celine, how are we doing?
We're doing good. We're doing good. We have not taken any
What
trade.
are those twos? What are those twos?
Well, I didn't consent to what you were about to say. So. My one was for the solo hour. You know. Anyway, we're doing good. We're doing good, Nick. We haven't been in any trades yet. Some of the chat have taken trades. Not gonna lie, but I have not been in anything.
I'm in the long right now.
All right, let's go to your stream, your screen. Let's do it.
My stream. Hell yeah, let's do it.
Here we are. Welcome to Nick's stream.
We're in longs from 27.3, 35.50. And We'll see what happens. We will see what happens.
You just long this. You can never lose. It's what's that guy's name? The Market Lens or Trading Markets? Like buy NQ, never lose.
Long gold, you can't lose.
It's becoming long NQ, never lose.
Yeah, I'm on NQ. I'm on NQ as usual. Pretty much haven't traded anything else but NQ for 2 months now. Not even ES. Well, a little bit of ES, but 99% NQ.
ES sucks. Yeah, me too. NQ all the way.
Yes, the ES doesn't suck. It's just that I'm more familiar with NQ. Justin says my entry was 27.333.25. Damn, man, you beat me. You beat me by 2 points.
Yeah, let's go chat. Let's question him. Raw off says, why are you long, Nick? Can you please explain? Because we need to check if this is a gamble.
I love longs. The market only goes up.
Is that it? That's all there is to it.
Yep.
He's very much simplifying trading for you all, but I would like to call this, it's low-key gambling, chat.
Is it? I don't know.
Where's the stop loss?
I don't know. I'm still searching for it. This motherfucker is hiding from me. Like literally, I'm looking. I can't find him.
Chat, we need to find Nick's stop loss because this is getting out of control. But the guy is like on 100% win rate right now with this no stop loss bullshit. So maybe we need to take a lesson here.
I don't know. Well, we'll find him one day.
Still searching.
Yeah, I'm still looking. Actually, I spent a lot of time yesterday looking for that guy, but he's hiding well. Very well. Yeah. Leia, how was your trip? How was your Italy trip? Good? Enjoyed the time without kids? Also,
she said it was good. She said,
What? She said what?
I was going to say she said it was good, but she's already back home and she was sad because she woke up this morning without the views and she was making breakfast for her kids instead of being out in Florence. The reality hit her.
Oh. Trader Nikon says, Nick, a couple of receipts taken yesterday regarding your trade. A few got cooked. Oh, many got cooked. I didn't. But no receipts. Gotta. Well, actually, yes, receipts. At the end of yesterday's stream, we did post them, but I didn't have much time. I would have spent more time roasting people. But...
I love that you stayed on just to do that. You were in a rush.
Well, I had to. You know it. I had to.
Yeah, I'm glad you did because I always never quick enough to get those receipts. I'm glad you do.
Hell yeah. Can we get 1,000 viewers again today?
Oh, hell yeah. What are we at?
709. 709. Wait, did you tell people we're going to do a giveaway?
Oh, shit. All right. Yes, we did. We said 400 likes. We gotta give the people what they deserve. So giveaway time, chat.
If you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, then you will get disqualified as well. So here's the link. Good luck, everybody else. But what did he say about Justin?
Justin has just taken off his SL, so he said, either my funded stays alive or dies. So
you're a real trader now, huh? Love it.
A real trader or a real gambler? I'm not sure.
Gambler? How dare you say that? David, Nick Taylor, do you trade ICT concepts also? No. I do not. I trade DMC.
All right, ES just ES SMT that low with NQ, so I'm interested to see if we get a 1 minute inversion how long, but I'm gonna wait.
Joining my longs again? Look at that. Look at that.
Hey, when we don't fadeify each other, we're actually doing all right.
Hey, it's true. Leah says, I answered you, Nick. Scroll up. Well, no need to scroll up because I can just see your channel activity. But you said, oh my God, Nick, I'm so sad I'm not there. I needed at least another week, but I don't know if you heard, but my folks' new house is 1 hour drive away from Florence, so I know we'll be there soon again. Nice. That's awesome. That is awesome.
All right, I'm taking this buy. I need $70 to pass this account, so I'm just gonna long this with 1 mini.
Ooh,
wait.
Okay.
All right.
DHR in row. Didn't Nick trade fractal model last year? Yep, I did. I still think it's a great model, but I don't trade it as often anymore.
And I just took that with one micro by mistake, so I'm waiting for this to go. I need to close this. If this doesn't.
All right.
Okay,
Leah, yeah, I've been to Florence. It's nice. It is nice. Are you in the trade? It's not showing on your screen.
No, because I just took this with one micro, so I'm just readjusting to enter this with.
Oh, okay. Well, then let's go back to my screen, Roman.
Yeah, I'll let you know when I enter this. I'm waiting for this like specific moment. I just need $70. Come on, thank you.
$70. Sí, señor.
Dollars.
Sí, señor. My name is Juan Pablo Enrique Rodriguez Gonzalez. Veteran Future says trading a mini for $70 is degen, Celine. Well, she's trading a micro. So what are you talking about?
No, I'm gonna take this on a mini and just go for like 2 points.
Little ballsy trade. Love it. Nice. Nice.
All right, we buy. I'm in.
Are you nervous? Heart rate? What's your heart rate?
My heart rate is. Where do I? Okay, wait. Need to quickly calculate. Entry is 42. I need 2.5 points. And TP needs to be.
You need 3.5 points plus commissions. Don't forget about that.
Quick math.
Got to do 4.5, 5 points. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but her calling me a gambler, looking at this trade, I don't know.
No, don't make me sweat. 46. That's it, right? Can you do the quick math for me?
What? What do you need?
Are we for real?
What do you need?
I need $70, Nicholas.
Yeah, that's why I said go for 5 points and then you're safe.
42.50 to 46. Yeah, that's right.
Leia, if we do have a Juan Pablo Enriquez Rodrigo Gonzalez here, he's gonna get a free account.
Imagine that.
Now watch somebody change their username.
No, because why is NQ going the other way, chat?
Chill.
Just the other way.
Zoom out, Celine. Zoom out. Go to the 5-minute chart, zoom out, and you're good. Don't you worry.
Oh my gosh, looks so
zoom out. Zoom out more. Zoom out more. More. Okay, good. There you go. Now relax.
Now relax.
Na.
All right, Shagster. Everyone wants to say how bearish the market is right now, but where were you guys when I was? No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're cool. See what happens when I degen? I can't degen. It doesn't work.
You just gotta relax, okay? It didn't go anywhere. Chill.
All right. Okay, guys. Let me just my hands are so sweaty right now. I have no idea.
Palms are sweaty.
It's so funny. Like,
you can never call me a gambler again, madam.
I know. Why does trading do this to? Oh, what is that candle?
I'm enjoying this.
But you know what? It can go for like 5,000. I got 5,000 drawdown to work with. So like, literally, let it dump. If it doesn't come back to the level 27,346.75, I will scream. But it does have a lot of room, yeah. Okay.
Good. Then relax.
I relax. Chill. Inhale, exhale. And any of you that want to talk about that 15-minute FEG holding, I'm going to ban. We don't want you in here. We want, what, Sibi? What 15-minute bearish cap?
Good morning,
Maybe
Sir
if I
Luki.
make this green, it helps.
Sir Luki is asking Celine lunch today.
Lunch today, I had chicken and a rice.
Chicken and rice, that's very nice.
Chicken and a rice. And sweet potato.
Sweet potato. James says L Celine. Why, James? Why?
Come on.
Morning, Ursula.
Guys.
Moonlight, are you pulling out the money gun if the TP gets hit there?
Maybe I should. Why is it harder to go for a 4-point win than just like a normal trade? Like, what is this bullshit?
Taraksa, who says, I want to win a pizza today. I blew an account, feeling sad. Well, maybe you're as lucky as this other guy yesterday who won 2 accounts.
Yeah, that was crazy. I love that for him though, but... Oh, should we just... All right, what should we do? Should we close this and just press short? Press sell? What
relax.
do you think?
Celine, relax. 5-minute chart, zoom out. Why are you back on the 1 minute? What are you doing? What are you, some kind of crack addict? Just go back. Relax.
It's not enough. It's not enough.
Relax.
But guys, look at this.
All good. Think about, yeah. What wick sweepers?
Consolidation.
Think about Claudia. Inhale.
Consolidation. You know what that means?
Breathe, Celine. Nice.
Okay.
Easy
I'm just gonna
peasy.
be quiet for the rest of the stream until this hits.
That's fine. Relax. Don't worry. It's all gonna be okay. Lulu says accumulation, liquidation. One DA is 30 seconds sharp for extra sweating. That's funny.
For real. No, because this could go for previous day low, but I'm holding, okay? I am holding. Celine, you're being gaslit.
Exactly. MS Gufo, that's the right question. What would Hannah do? She would relax. She would just...
Hannah probably would relax because she just
give
would
out
have
some
no idea.
orders, be a proper Hannah-tator, and she would relax. It's all going to be fine. I'm in this long with you, Celine. We're all going to be
Oh,
fine.
yeah, that's true. We're in this together. Okay, yeah. We're all in this together. Tell me you know High School Musical.
Unfortunately, I do.
Yes.
Very unfortunately, I do.
What a movie.
Yeah, in a bad way.
You're telling me that's not the greatest movie of all time? By the way,
Well, if you start from the back
What do you mean by that?
of the list.
You're lying. You're just gonna pretend that you're not a super fan and you don't know all the lyrics to those songs.
Fun fact, a friend of mine went surfing with Zac Efron and didn't even recognize him.
Oh yeah, what the hell? I don't know that story.
That's funny.
That's pretty funny.
See, you're gonna be fine. Just relax, zoom out, enjoy the moment, ride the roller coaster.
Oh, we're riding. We are riding.
Yeah, but you're one of those people who sits on the roller coaster thinking they're gonna die. They're like, fuck,
Yes, yes.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Fast. Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Shh, 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 shh. It's happening. It's happening. No, it's not. I went on the scariest roller coaster ride of my life in Singapore recently this year. It was one of those rides, like, not only does it go upside down, so like my feet were in the air. You know what I mean? My feet were in the air. It also spins you like 360 this way. So you're going like this way and that way. I don't know. It was freaking it was insane. And you go like this inches off hitting like the floor. They like sweep your head. Like, ugh, it was terrifying. I think I opened my eyes for like a total of 5 seconds that entire ride. My eyes were closed the entire time.
Sounds great though. Was that at Universal Studios?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It was.
Nice.
Amazing.
Is Nick turning into Sputnik? Well, who said that I'm not Sputnik?
You actually wouldn't know. Oh, hold on a minute. That wouldn't make any sense because you both stream at the same time. So,
ever heard of AI? Miss AI?
Busted. No, I haven't. I would have no idea about that or how any of that works because I'm a human. I remember.
Why are you lying? Just the fact that you say I'm a human and you have never heard of AI and how it works proves that you're not human because every human has heard of it. Now, to the giveaway. Giveaway.
We forgot about the giveaway.
Let's run it. Copying everybody over. Leah, congrats. You were the first one to fill it out. Boom, boom, boom. Wheel of names. Boom, boom. Copying everybody over. Take some time. Let the computer do his work. There we go. Spinning. The winner of this first giveaway in the London stream today. First, meaning we're going to do more. First winner is... Damn, how do I say this? Kefasful? Maybe. But hey, if this is you, type something in the chat. Kefasful?
Don't mind me here, just having a mini heart attack.
Oh. It's all going to be fine, Celine. Chill out.
Wait, we hit it.
You hit it?
We hit it. Woo!
See? I told you. That'll be in the chat.
It's gonna be fine, chat.
That'll be in the chat.
We're all good. We're gonna survive. We live. We lived through that degen moment, and that was freaking tough.
So what did you learn? What did you learn, Celine?
That you just buy and queue, and you can never lose. Yep. You know what, Roman? That is exactly the time for the money gun. We're gonna shoot it. Oh no, we're not. Batteries are still cooked. There we go.
I'll do one for you.
Come on, that's when the degen trades play out. There is no better feeling. But
But what did we actually learn, Celine?
All right, let me think about it. So we learned that no stop loss is the real strat. No stop loss.
No. What did we actually learn?
Okay, what did we learn? We learned to buy and queue and it always goes up.
What did we actually learn? What did I tell you like 15 times?
To just calm down, inhale, exhale, because it's going to work out.
Zoom out. 5-minute chart.
Oh, zoom out.
Relax.
Okay.
Inhale, exhale. All good. All right. Now, let's run the giveaway. Kefa, you won. I saw you in the chat there. So, all good. Now we got to see what you win. Gonna add growth accounts. Gonna add select accounts, all in caps lock today because fuck yeah. Spinning. Kifa, you win a... Ooh, it's gonna be select. Ooh, free pizza. Select your free pizza. Hell yeah. Kifa, let me know. Do you want a free pizza or do you want to spin the wheel again for a chance to win something else?
I mean, I know if it was Jonathan, I know what Jonathan would be doing.
Oh,
but...
100% he would take the pizza. Kefa says, do it again. All right, we're gonna do it again.
All right.
Here we go. He doesn't want a pizza. Spinning. By the way, chat, 3 times on pizza in a row and you have to take the pizza. That's the rule.
Yeah, that's fair.
Okay, Kefa, 50K select account. Congrats. 50K select account. Now you gotta let me know, do you want to play a game of 0, 1, 2, or 3? Meaning you have a 25% chance of losing the 50K select account, or you have a 75% chance of winning it and a 50% chance of winning more than more than one 50K select accounts. Let me know, do you want to spin the wheel of doom or boom?
The wheel of like crazy probabilities, because I'm taking that. I say that every single time, but really. Yes. Oh, wait, no. Did he say? That's not him.
No,
what was his name?
He didn't say anything.
I was like,
we're waiting. Kif, do you want to spin the wheel of doom or boom?
Those are the greatest probabilities you're going to...
Wait, when you say
that?
I'm taking that, do you mean you want to spin it or you want to take the 50K select? You got to be more clear, man. Gotta be more clear.
We're all in this together.
Spin it. All right, spin it.
Oh, nice.
Here you go.
Woo-hoo.
Instead of one 50K select account, you win 150K select account. All right, worth the gamble.
Worth the shot.
Yeah, walked away with 1. So congrats. All you got to do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description and make sure it's the email address that you actually use to log into your Tradeify accounts, because if it's not, we will not be able to send you your free 50K select account. Also, once it's added, it's going to take up to 7 days. So do not reach out to us before that time has passed. Congrats. Fire.
Cool. Well done. All right, now we need to set a new like count target, because
okay. What do you want to set it at?
First way is done. Let me see. What are we at?
We're at 563.
All right. With over 800 people watching, so I'm gonna set it like pretty high. I don't know. I'm gonna say 750.
750. All right.
750.
All right, chat. You heard her. 750.
There's over 800 people here, so it's doable. We're already like way over 500 likes, so 750 it is.
Mm-hmm.
No.
LL says, hi, Nick, can I ask why you always have a brand new 150K on stream? I don't. I really don't. Still the same ones. I have 2 growths, 1 select. Actually, just got a payout on the select.
Nice.
The growths, I haven't traded them that much. That's probably why you think that. But if I go into the journal thingy here, you see like I haven't traded it much. Traded it on the 9th, on the 14th, on the 16th. Trading it today. So just switching between accounts. I'm not copy trading them all. That's probably why. Justin, the huge live account, that's Spuddy. Spuddy with the $1 billion account. My alter ego. James, I got flex. I like flex better than daily. I get greedy on daily. Wicksweeper says, when is Papa Brett going to visit us? Next announcement, maybe? Hey, I don't know. Papa Brett on London stream? That would be crazy. It's 3 a.m. for him.
Yeah, that might be a while. Unless he's like on holiday somewhere on the other side of the globe, but...
Yeah, he was on London stream before.
Oh. Well,
last September, actually.
From America?
Last September in my hotel room.
Oh, while you guys were in London, that makes sense. Oh, yeah. June though, potentially Brett special on the London stream when we're in. Could be cooking up something there.
Maybe. Justin says, "Bro, Nick, make the market go up." Justin, zoom out and relax. Enjoy the ride.
Nick is way too calm. It actually makes me anxious. This is the problem.
Well. Andre says, Mr. Market, please go up. Don't forget the pen, Andre. Mr. Market, please go up. 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 Look at Roman. Roman is on it today. As every day.
How far are we going, Twin Mama? Well, we are going to the moon, hopefully. No,
well, I got my highest target at 398.50, so that would be about 63 points from where I entered.
Nice. I'm if I get along, I'm looking at daily open as a target, like a long-term target, and also then previous 4-hour high. But let's see.
No. D. Ella says, more sellers than buyers. My heart is racing now. Oh my God, no. Zoom out, relax. No.
James 69697. London is shit. No, James, I actually tend to strongly disagree. I think if you trade New York and you look at the London session, it's been much cleaner to trade in terms of reversals and I don't know, the way I like to trade. It's been much cleaner than trading New York. As soon as I see New York, I want to cry. It goes everywhere and then nowhere at the same time.
Everywhere or it just and nowhere at the same time? That's crazy.
Or it just crazily breaks out and then you just have to be on the right side of the market and then hold. But
hold on.
I think London's been pretty clean. That account I just passed, I've only ever traded it in the London session. So, I mean, it's been clean for me.
Wick Sweeper says, zoom out, relax on a Tradeify t-shirt. Hell yeah. Great idea. Get it? Idea. Justin says, Nick York was shit. New. Oops. Sorry, Nick.
What?
Said Nick York instead of New York.
Lol.
Lulz.
Amir, do you the normal PDL, Celine 27298? Yes, I obviously have a normal previous day low. It's only Asia low that is different. But my previous day low is coming from the 953 candle, if I must be exact, from yesterday. 952. 952 is low. It's 27,298.
FX Peter says, zoom out, relax, and take a short. That makes me want to long more if you say that.
Check it to them, Sling. Congrats on passing your account. What size was it and how long did it take? This one took a few weeks because I didn't just this one I was trading not like I normally would evals and not just pump it with 10 minis and dry pass because that's obviously the more efficient way when you're trading Tradeify growth accounts. Not gonna lie there, but I was trading this one a bit more with funded accounts, so it had normal sizing 1 to 2 minis from time to time, and then it took me a few weeks. How can I see exactly when I started trading that? Wait. 1 moment, please.
Uno momento, per favor. Sí, señor.
View details.
See, Lucifer understands. Says, zoom out, inhale, exhale, and market only goes up. All together creates an A+ setup. Lucifer, you understand.
Yeah, we can switch them. I can show this, guys. You can see this is the account. You can see, obviously, with the new Tradeify 3.0 update, this is how clean it looks and how clear you can see.
Why on light mode, though, lady? Why
I
would
knew
you do
someone
that?
was going to say something.
It looks like
But
shit.
like, I love it. I love
the
white mode.
Tradeify
It's so
3.0
good.
update is so clean in dark mode, but light mode?
No, like I
Ooh.
feel that, but for the white mode, the dark mode freaks me out. It's the same in Tradeify. My Tradeify is all white charts. Like, I don't like trading in the dark with these dark charts.
Nah.
Nothing in trading for me comes in dark. It's all light.
Okay,
all right,
wait, 1 second. Chat, if you prefer dark charts, put a 1 in the chat. If you prefer white charts, put a 2 in the chat. 1 for dark, 2 for white.
Is this for real?
Yeah, you lose.
You guys suck. Well, I don't care. No one else has to look at this dashboard except for me. But I'm just here being transparent and showing you that this is how long it took me to pass this eval trading like regular size like I would with funded. So the first trade was taken on the 24th of March. And this is sort of like, this is normal sizing for me. So I was in 2 trades that day, for example, this day 4 trades. Like it did vary, but I don't know why the hell that day says 13 trades. The hell?
Oh my god.
That
Somebody
make sense.
degened. Somebody degened that day.
I might have to look into that. I do not recall the 26th of March. But anyway, most of these trades were just like normal trades that I copy traded with funded as well. So the sizing is relatively normal. Some days it was just like a $300 day. And we were talking about this earlier on stream. Like people were saying, I'm no good with just leaving the session when I'm up $300. Like I just keep trading and trading and trading. Like how do you give yourself like, when do you stop and tell yourself enough is enough on a green day? And I was saying like just have a profit target, give yourself sometimes like profit target goals and things like that for the day. And once they hit, just get away. But because it's
Moflo is right. He says white charts equals serial killer. I agree.
Are we still going there with the white charts? All right, I'm just gonna, you know what, guys? Here, go back to next charts. Whatever, chat. Whatever. I'm trying to help you guys. I'm trying to be transparent. All you guys want to talk shit.
No. Go back. Roman, go back. Let her explain.
Should I just go to freaking dark charts for you guys? I don't want to, but anyway, this is what it was like. This was the process, and this was the outcome. I obviously didn't calculate yesterday's trades properly, so I was out by $70 or whatever, and so that was today's trade. I just had to do $70. But yeah, all good. All good.
All good roonies. All right, back to my screen. Selling this trade. We're chilling. We are chilling.
Chilling.
Mm-hmm. Justin says she likes the white charts because it reminds her of overnight oats.
Bruh. You need to get over those oats, Justin. I swear. You're obsessed.
Okay, it's just admitted it's oats. So we know it now.
No, it's not oats. That is not me admitting it's oats. No. Don't get it twisted.
You just said you gotta get over those oats, so.
Yeah, because he brings them up every day. He brings up overnight oats. I never brought up overnight oats. He did. That was him. That was all him. I call it tzatziki. That's what it is. That literally is what it is.
You know that it's pronounced Tise Dizaikai, right?
You know what I should... Shut up. You know what I should do? Make overnight oats and put it next to my bowl of tzatziki. And then what are you going to say? Then what are you going to do, Justin? Okay? I think that's what I'm going to have to do this weekend.
Do it.
Anyway, chat. Enlighten me, who is in trades. I can't talk this shit every day with these unintelligent beings.
Andrea says, Celine, you're amazing, but white charts are absolutely disgusting.
I can't help it, Andrea. I mean, I thought you were a girl's girl, Andrea, as well. I thought you were.
Yeah, she says you're amazing. That doesn't mean she is a psychopath.
Well, I don't know. People who like white charts, what is it about it? I just find that it's more anxiety provoking when everything's dark. And then obviously I don't like red candles. That's the main part. I don't like red candles, so I put black candles. How am I gonna have black candles on a black chart? Tell me.
Well, I think we need to switch topic to something more important. Something that Fabs Trades Futures just brought up. I just joined. I want to know what happened with the text message and dinner with Richard.
No, because I didn't actually text them yet. We didn't actually come to a conclusion.
Okay, let's
Should we
text them.
text? Okay.
Yes. What can you lose?
Also, someone keeps getting appointment reminders for their doctor's appointment. I don't want to say like yes or no because it says there is a $90 fee if you don't rock up. So I don't want to say yes,
Well,
I'm attending, and then
probably
this person.
Richard. Yeah, if the person is dead and you got his number, then it doesn't matter because what are
But
they
there's
going
a
to
few
do?
people. There's clearly a few people because some people call me Claire. Some people say, "Oh, you mean?" No, because someone called me also asking for Anthony. All right. What's the chances the person's like a trader and like watching Tradeify TV right now? The person who sent this text.
Imagine. That would be funny. Chances are very low.
The context here, chat, whoever missed out, is that I've got this new number while I'm in Australia. It's like a temporary SIM. And it's an eSIM, but it's weird because I've been receiving text messages from random people. And so clearly this number has been used before as something weird. And I had a message come through that was like, thanks for the amazing dinner. I enjoyed the gallons of wine I consumed, but the session in the pool, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I'm in for Thursday night and Richard would like to come too, but if you already booked, let us know and I can book us tonight. So someone is trying to book me out and would like to bring Richard. That's what I gather. I just don't know what to say. So up to you, chat. How do I respond? The thing is, it could get really awkward really quick, but...
By the way, the chance that it's a Tradeify viewer is, attention, 0.00001%.
Wait, how did you calculate that?
Well, just 821 viewers divided by 8.3 billion people.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Accurate.
Times 100.
Got it. All right, so well, very low probabilities, but would still be funny. But what should I say? I don't like Richard.
Be like,
should
fuck
I say
Richard.
Only?
Fuck Richard. Let's go out by ourselves.
Yeah. Should I say I'm not really. Richard would like to come too, but if you're already booked, I'll say I'm not booked, but I don't want Richard there.
Fuck Richard. Just say fuck Richard.
No, it's too intense. I feel bad. I can't do these pranks. I have to do them like really softly. I'm gonna prank him.
Be like Richard ? Really?
Oh yeah. Okay. Richard, really?
That way,
I'm not
it's
lying.
open.
You guys can see. Wait, does that dox my number at all?
No, but theirs. So.
Oops. There you go. You can kind of see.
We can't see it because it's in fucking light mode.
Wait, your phone is in dark mode too, you freak?
Of course. What are you, some psychopath?
You're a freak. Guys, iPhone users right now in the chat, dark or light mode. You're actually insane, Nick.
Celine,
one for light mode on the iPhone.
You will lose. Don't do this to yourself.
One for light mode on the iPhone and two for dark mode on the iPhone.
Don't do this to yourself, Celine.
One for light mode, two for dark.
Oh,
dark?
Man.
Dark on the phone?
Of course.
No.
Of course, dark mode. Like, what do you think? Look at the chat. 2. You stand no chance, Celine. You're doing this to yourself. Like, I didn't even do this. You're doing these things to yourself, Celine. It's like you playing Real Madrid against India. You're doing it to yourself.
But I seriously don't know anyone who has dark mode. You guys are all freaks, or you're just trolling.
Well, I mean, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, which means that your 5 people are all psychopaths. It's totally fine.
You know what's funny? What? You love dark mode, but you're the guy who wears the white tee, and I'm the girl who wears the dark tee. So, like,
yeah,
make it make
because
sense.
things gotta be in balance.
Well, I don't understand this now. I'm actually very shocked by this chat. I don't know anyone.
If
you
pick up your phone at night, don't you get blind or something?
Do you guys know night mode or something, or you guys don't know what night mode is?
What is night mode?
Where you put the orange filter on any of your devices. You can do it on the MacBook.
I have that on the entire day, 24 hours a day, always.
Yeah, well, that's all you need when you're in bed at night and it's dark.
With light mode is still gonna kill your eyes.
No, it doesn't. Actually, it doesn't. My eyes are fine. So stop with your theories. Light mode is great, and all you need at night is night mode. Haha, iPhone created night mode, okay? Dark mode, people. You don't need to be in dark mode.
Just for clarity, it's called night shift and not night mode, but whatever.
Oh my gosh. Bro. Keep drinking your water. Just sit over there, Nick. You're lucky.
Actually, our bottles got upgraded.
away.
They now have a way sicker logo. Look at that. So nice.
Oh, let's see. Valsa.
Yes. Sick.
Nice. Well, it's not as sick as this logo. Ooh.
Well, that's true. I agree. The holy middle finger. Speaking of sick, 6K82 says it's a blue filter, not an orange filter, and that is correct too.
Okay, it filters out blue light, but it is orange.
Yeah, but that's why it's a blue filter.
That's all right, everyone who wants to be anti-Celine today. That's fine. I will leave you with the Nictator, and you guys can have your happy little 2-hour stream all by yourselves. Okay? Goodbye. Have your dark charts, have your dark dashboards, have your dark minds. Okay? I'll leave you with the Batman.
She's gone. Oh, chat. We made it. We made it happen. There we go.
My children.
Wait, was that supposed to be the God voice?
My child.
My children.
No, but for real, that's what the God voice actually low-key sounds like. Anyway, you guys better watch yourselves. No, here we go. He's gonna do the God voice. Just wait for it. Just wait. Any minute now, Nick's gonna do the God voice.
Hey, sorry, I'm back. Just had to grab something.
Oh, what? I thought you were doing the God voice.
That's why I didn't do it.
Why is it so easy to prank me like that? Oh,
that's fun.
That's
great.
That's so annoying.
You're awesome, Celine.
All right, whatever. I'll just be everyone's freaking. Everyone can take it out on me.
We're still in this trade chat. We're still in this. We're chilling. Chilling.
Looks good.
Wait, didn't you say you're gonna join me?
Yeah, not yet. Not yet. I mean, haven't got a clean setup yet. I was like waiting for really previous day low to get swept. I didn't really trust that we've still left that alone, but I don't know if it inverts this 15-minute bearish gap, shows a bit of bullish strength here. Maybe I long. But not my A+ setup, so I'm not in yet. But I do like it.
Oh, I can answer this question. The good news, Celine, are you a mixed race or something? Why are you so tanned? Yeah, she is actually, if you want to know in detail, she is Australian, Balinese, Greek, Serbian, Vietnamese, South African, and Chinese. It's like pretty crazy mix. So.
And if you guys believe that, then you need to get yourselves checked.
Marcos, I think you're right. He says we tease Celine, but at the end of the day, you are our favorite host. I agree.
Ooh. Wait, Nick is your favorite or Celine is? Pick a side.
You are.
All right, that means everyone needs to go to Tradeify TV's latest Twitter post and say Nick and Celine are your favorite hosts. Go right now.
That's true. Let's make this happen really quick. So I saw this ridiculous post yesterday.
Ridiculous, right? Ridiculous.
Absolute ridiculous. So let's do this right now, chat. We're gonna throw in an extra mega giveaway. If every single one of you does this right now, wait, I gotta send you the link. Wait for it. I'm gonna send you the link to post that Tradeify TV posted yesterday, and it asks who's your favorite Tradeify TV host. All of you guys go in there right now and tag Celine and me. Okay, so at Celine Trades and at Nick M Trades. Here's the link to the post. Go in there right now. If everybody does this right now, we are going to do a mega giveaway.
Hell yeah. Because you know what? I went into the comments looking for you London session gang, and I didn't see any of you in there. So disappointed, but now's your time. Redeem it.
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. We gotta show the New York people that London is just on a different level, you know?
London is. I mean, 1,000 viewers. What the hell? Okay. London is goated.
We're literally outnumbering the New York stream. Like, how come that we're not overtaking this post? Like, we got to do
that
this
is
right
right
now.
Go and smash it right now. Smash the comments, smash the likes while you're at it.
Yeah. Shout out to Antonio, who just did it. Shout out to Royce, who just did it. Shout out to Tarak, who just did it. Let's go. Let's take over this post, guys.
I see you. I'm gonna go like every single comment. I'm watching.
Yeah, me too. We're gonna make this the London gang's post right now.
You know, they need to know. New York session needs to know. They gotta step it up. You know,
we gotta show them.
We gotta show them. I mean, you're sort of like, well, classic Switzerland. He's on both sides, right, chat? He's like New York and London. You got to pick a side, Nick. It's going to come to that. You got to pick a side.
If I have to pick a side, Celine, I'll stick with you. London gang.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
100%.
All right. Okay, we can be friends again. I'm going to like every one of these comments, chat. So let's go.
The good news says, Nick, there are 2 Nick trades of X. I'm Nick M trades.
But yeah, don't be tagging the wrong account.
Nick M trades. All right. All
right. I've so far liked all of them.
Yeah, me too. I'm on it. Liking. We're gonna do a mega giveaway because of that chat. Oh yeah.
This is gonna go up.
Yeah, I'm liking this.
I'm liking all of these. Good.
I'm on it.
I'm just gonna bring it up on here. Thank you, Vincent. Thank you, Marcel, Maddie, Brandon. We see you, Carla, Justin. All right, I'll like your comment, Justin. Whatever.
Oh yeah.
No, hell yeah, that's sick. London session strong.
Hey, Leah, I see you there. I see you. Nice. Great work, chat. You deserve a big giveaway.
That's sick.
Just liking these comments. It takes some time. Damn.
Yeah, it's a bit of a process. Yeah. But we appreciate you guys because I know we're all meant to be trading, but here we are on Twitter. Marcos, I see you. Nick and Celine are the best. Nick made me say this.
Nah.
No.
Can't do that. Shout out to Robot. Robot says Celine, #1 AI, and Nick, the Dark Knight. Hell yeah.
Lol.
Yes.
Kev says Celine, Queen, and King of London session, Nick. I'll take that if I'm the Queen.
Fuck yeah.
Queen of London.
I'm trying to like everybody. It's too many. Well done, chat. Well done. We're taking over. London gang taking over.
We have officially taken over.
Mm-hmm.
It's over, New York. It's over.
Just gotta go to. Oh, I can sort for newest. That would probably make sense. Okay, and Hannatator, Mr. Derp, Hannatator, best host and trader.
That's so funny.
Monkey pressing button. I see you. Marcos, dude. Nah, I can't do that.
Oh yeah, we see all of you. Riaz. It's so cool that we know you guys like literally by your username as well, because you guys are just here every single day. Like I know exactly who's here. Riaz is here. Like Marcos, a robot. We see you all. You guys, we appreciate you so much, honestly.
I'm even liking the ones that just tagged Celine, so
I'm liking them all too. I am literally liking them all. All right, how many comments? We're gonna blow this. We're gonna blow this tweet up.
We're on it. We are blowing it up right now. Actually, the chat is blowing it up because our chat is the best in the game, and we know it. I'm still in this trade, by the way. Little update. I'm still hovering around my break-even point. Takes some time. Hey, Robert! What the heck? I haven't seen you in 1,000 years. Mr. Robert is here. Look at that.
Robert?
Yeah, Robert is a New York stream OG.
Ah, I see. What's up, Robert?
Big V says, I'm here every day, but I don't comment in the chat. I simply admire Celine and Nick. You can fuck off. All right, man. See ya.
Oh, what? Wait, where is his comment? No, guys, I will not stand for that. Bro. No, Nick, you come back. I need to talk to this guy. Big V, I appreciate the love, but there is no one in here that's You're gonna get it now.
Big V. Why would you comment something so negative on the internet when two people put in so much effort and hard work just for you, my child, to make you a better trader, to help you make money, and you come in and think you're some kind of cool guy hiding behind a profile without a username. Actually, I have a username, but without a profile picture. Coming in like a little asshole, thinking you're cool. Who do you think you are? You're definitely going to be unprofitable for the next 7.5 months.
Yes. That laugh is scary. But for real, Big V, I'm just going to straight up ban you for that.
Wait, what happened?
No one brings that negativity. Oh, never mind. We just, we got encountered by God. And we're just dealing with somebody here.
Weird.
But
like,
nobody...
When you say that, I cut out for some reason.
Yeah, it's the weirdest thing. But we had a God encounter. You weren't here. And we just have to deal with this guy in the chat because we won't tolerate negativity and absolute just bullshit rudeness in the chat. So we're getting a ban for that, Big B.
Thanks, sis.
That's a full day's ban. Goodbye. And anyone else?
Oh yeah.
Anyone else? Because I'm ready. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Southern boy. No need to be rude, guys. But that was pretty funny. That laugh. Wait, that's Nick, funny. You have to go back and watch a stream just for that laugh.
Okay, wait. Let me mute myself. I gotta listen.
The laugh was so good. Like, ha, 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 ha. Dib, I think he's the guy who loves you and knows Celine. Lol. I don't even care. I don't care who they are. No one needs to be mean.
That sounded fucking sick.
Wait, it was sick. It was actually cool as.
That's pretty dope. Yeah. Justice for Hannah. That's right. We haven't seen her anymore. Since she got banned.
Yeah. Wonder why.
Yeah. Quacker says, Nick, we need some cookies and milk on the charts. This PA is stuck. All right. Let me add. We need some milk.
Milk and cookies.
There we go. All right, NASDAQ. Time to go up.
Seattle, you are asking the wrong person what the GP is because I don't have GP on my chart. You might want to ask Nick that. What's the GP?
GP. ChatGPT. Basically, you take a swing high and a swing low, in this case, from previous day low. There we go. To this high up here. Boom. Fib retracement. And then you wait for a tap into the 618 or 707, whichever one you prefer, and bounce off of there. That's the golden pocket area. Technically, the golden pocket area is the 618. I just prefer the 707. There you have it. Thanks.
Nick, this guy in the chat, he can't get over when you were like, you're not going to be profitable in the next 7.5 months.
Wait, who?
He hasn't stopped dying of laughter. This guy, Leos Cross. He's like, I'm not stop crying. Wow, it was amazing.
Well, I'm happy I could make you laugh. Well, not me. I wasn't here, but
God was.
yeah.
He said, I'm crying, I swear. That's it. Aaron, we already know what he liked. Definitely the white shirts. Most definitely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Lior says, dude, I repeated in the other tab.
He's listening to it.
That's funny. You know what's funny? Like whenever I use the voice mod thing, I change my voice too. It's like
I know you do.
Normally. But then if it doesn't work, remember when I did like the girl voice?
Yes,
and it didn't work?
yes, you got outed. He was like, "Oh, what do you mean?" And I was like,
What do you
Nick,
mean, man?
Nick, awkward.
Yeah, it was funny.
Hakuna Matata, you know.
Oh yeah, Hakuna Matata. When is your next when's the next show date for?
I knew you were
Lion
going
King?
there.
No, like seriously interested. Like I would want to.
Loki,
come watch
Lion
it.
King is currently playing in Sydney, Australia, like the musical.
Oh, so you have like a home show?
But Loki, I was thinking about going and watching because that would be sick. But
What do you mean
up.
watching? Why are you taking a break?
Do you want me to get into it? I can.
I mean,
Guys, it's only
What?
Ozempic's not even here to enjoy your trolling right now. Ozempic's not even here, so just let it go.
You know,
Let it go.
just showing him respect.
Can I just say, we did say we're going to do a giveaway for the Twitter spam that we just did.
Yeah, well, we still need to hit the like goal.
True, that is true. This is true. What are we at?
Leia, look, a lion! Oh my god, a lion! Boom, food. Hey, wait, I gotta go back to Twitter and like some more of your comments. Thanks, chat.
Cam Bam, first of all. Hey, Camille. Can chat confirm Celine looks like Leah Lee? All right. I already know I don't look like this person, but let's go.
Who this?
Who is this?
Who
Who
is
the hell is Leah Lee? This person with the pink hair?
That doesn't look like Celine at all. What?
Camille, you were cool and all, but like, what the hell? Please explain.
Camille, why you lying? Oh, the cookies and milk are working.
Oh, yeah. Cookies and milk haven't failed so far. Unlike 9cat.
Yeah. 9cat has failed every single time, though, to be fair.
Yeah. Lucky. I got this like stock ticker and everything with the 9cat, and it's. Oh, wait. It actually doesn't have 9cat on it, actually, right now. But I was like super hyped, and then it didn't work. So.
More. Lulu says Celine looks like Hannah. Don't you agree, Nick? Yeah, I heard that.
It's actually true.
I mean, to be fair, I'm still programming the visuals for Hannah, but I just copy pasted Celine's code. So.
Chat. I got nothing.
Do you have a picture of you and Hannah?
Actually, I do.
Well, we're not gonna block her, but send it in Slack. I wonder.
Okay. We were out for dinner the other night, and I was like, "Wait, we have to take a selfie because we literally are wearing the same thing." Okay.
Twins. Twins.
Here.
Omar says, rather than relying on swearing for humor or impact, the stream should focus on being more engaging through clever commentary, high energy gameplay, and professional standards that make the content. All right, Omar. We got NASDAQ right now sitting at 27,334.25. We have been in an immense chop zone. Let's look at this. We're going to zoom in more, actually. You can see these massive candles, massive wicks. There has been a lot going on NASDAQ right now. We've seen the green candles versus the red candles. Green team has been winning twice in a row here at 2:50 a.m. and 2:55 a.m. And then right after, got absolutely smacked down by the red team, only for the green team to catch back up, go up to the 27,345 area, leave an immense wick, and then absolutely get slapped in the face by the red team, but immediately taking back the W, getting in a green streak here, and then ultimately ending up with 2 red candles in a row. But guess what? Green team stayed strong, actually pushed up with 2 green candles, pushed up to the absolute high here at 27,351. Only to get slapped back down by the red team 3 times in a row, then trying to make back up for it, going back to my break-even point, and now it's actually 9 a.m. Tokyo Stock Exchange close, meaning that volume is coming in. The red team is trying to drive the market back down, but it can't. It can't. The green team is pushing it back up above my break-even point, trying so hard to get that cookie and milk. Oh my God, where is the milk? Where is the milk? He needs some milk. Wait, let me zoom out. Here it is. We got cookie and milk.
Go back to the chart.
There we go. But the red team is trying to push it down because you know what? The red team is allergic to nuts, and there are some nuts in these cookies and they don't want that. So they only want the milk. But what they don't realize is that to get the milk, they need to follow the green team and actually get those prices up, because only then they're going to get the milk. But then also the green team is going to get the cookie. So both could win at the same time. So we are going to be watching this. It's going to be an intense fight and we're looking forward to it. Celine, what are your thoughts?
Oh no, I have nothing to back that up. I need to ask, what are you taking, Nick? Because that was insane.
Electrolyte.
Chat, there you go. That is the commentary of the day, of the session. Now, I hope you enjoyed, because that's the most you're going to get out of us.
Omar, now I gave you that, and now you say you're still not happy? Man, Omar.
Can't win them all.
I think Omar just doesn't like the fact that the red team is allergic to nuts.
I think you're onto something there. But for real, guys, like, we aren't going anywhere. What do you want us to do with this price action? We're stuck barcoding. Literally, we're fighting. It's a tug of war. Tug of war between the bears and the bulls, and those who want cookies and those who don't want the cookies. So,
because they're allergic to nuts.
Yes. Yeah. Bears don't like.
Omar says, I only ask not to swear. No, my guy, you did not just ask that. That's not true. Why are you lying? You said, rather than relying on swearing for humor or impact, the stream should focus on being more engaging through clever commentary. So I gave you clever commentary. What are you talking about? Also, you said grow up. I stopped growing up when I was 12. Sweep the cookie, then pump it, says Wig Sweeper. Hell yeah. But wait, to sweep the cookie, you have to pump it first. That doesn't work.
Why are you lying?
Exactly why you're lying. All right. Getting a little bit of a push down. 316. We chilling.
Would potentially be reaching for that previous day low.
Could be. Which is previous day low. Oh, it's right here. Look at that. Basically the 300 level. I like it. I'll buy more at the
psychological level. Wow, we really did like that 15-minute gap that we were talking about before. Well, some of the chat were talking about this gap being respected, and that sort of looks like we came up to the midpoint of that gap, rejected that heavy, and it looks like we could be seeing a previous day low sweep here. Before we go higher, I'm still convinced this is just a move to sweep out before we long this. So I don't hate it. I don't hate it for the longs. If we sweep out previous day low, I would like to. She doesn't hate it.
It's usually a hater of my trades, but not today.
It's true. Not today.
Not today. Not today.
Anyway, Nick, check Slack because I sent you
wait.
me and Hannah, but we're wearing the same clothes.
You sent it in our private chat?
Well, obviously.
I was waiting
We're
for
going to
it.
send it in the
thread.
TTV chat.
No, in the thread, I was waiting for it. Okay, let me see.
It's
Yo,
funny
what
because
the
we're wearing
fuck?
we kind of do,
they
right?
actually look the same. That's funny. That's actually funny. Well, Hannah Tater and Celine Tater confirmed.
Confirmed, not
we got a
AI.
look-alike.
Confirmed human.
No, it's confirmed. I copy pasted the code. Confirmed I was lazy. God was just like, yeah, let me make another one of those. Let's see if I get my second entry.
Oh, we could be SMTing previous day low here with ES. Previous day low on ES looks way further away, so I highly doubt we get down there because we're just so far away. Previous day low on ES is well, that's a good question. That is a very good question. 7171.50 is previous day low on ES. So let's see. Zuaib, Celine, no more trade for today. What's your view after taking previous days low? I just haven't had that trade I was in earlier was literally just a degen trade to pass the rest of that eval off there. But I actually haven't had a valid setup yet for my system. So no trade yet. Previous day low doesn't change anything. I'm still bullish looking for a long. If anything, it just would be cleaner actually to long after the sweeper previous day low. So if there is a strong bullish reaction on the 1 minute after we sweep that level on NQ, then yes, I will enter with no hesitation. But so far I haven't had a clean long, so just waiting, playing the patience game. Sometimes it's like
waiting. Oh my god, chicken in the chat, everybody. Put a good morning chicken or a or if you want to see chicken show up, then actually put some corn in the chat. So he's gonna go and pick it up.
Wick Sweeper asks, what's your bail level, Nick? Do you have a bail level for this trade?
I don't bail.
Yeah, didn't think so. Robot, Nick, Celine, do you use orb? I will sometimes use it, like sometimes when trading gold in New York session on the 5 minute. Sometimes, but I don't tend to use it all the time. No, and never on NQ.
Gotta feed the chicken really quick. 1 second.
Oh, that's a lot of corn.
Yeah, I mean, chicken is hungry. He said, fuck off, you peanut. Yeah. Chicken, get ready for the Portuguese organ guns.
What the hell are you talking about?
Age of Empires, obviously. Duh.
Oh, obviously. Stupid me. I'm just checking gold, actually. I haven't taken a trade on gold in a little while. Let's see. Nope. I don't like it.
Nope. By the way, did you see Spotty's discount code yesterday?
No, what was it?
If you go on Tradeify.co and you buy an account and you type in Spotty's so sexy, you get a 1% discount.
Oh my gosh. Someone needs to ban that guy from all of his admin rights.
It actually works though. It's funny.
He's actually crazy.
It's actually funny.
And people were buying accounts. That's hilarious. Just to use the code.
I think we're still waiting for somebody to buy it.
Oh.
Still waiting patiently.
I'm curious, guys who were like close to passing those evals earlier on in the stream, what's the update? Have you guys forced trades or have you been patient? Have you passed? Like, I mean, we want to shout you out if you passed. Let us know. There was a few. there are a few people that were only like a couple $100 away. So give us the update, guys.
They better have passed.
Where is everyone at? Oh, the Riaz, you passed it. Hell yeah. All right, money gun.
Fire.
Quick money gun for Riaz.
Fire.
Anyone else who passed? There you go, Riaz. There was a few dollar bills for you there.
Wait, did Nasdaq really just miss my entry, my second one?
Really?
No, it's getting Nicholas. I'm getting Nicholas Wickless on my entries, huh? It was Nasdaq's like, wait, no stop loss. Okay, let me Nicholas Wickless the entry then.
No, I feel like it's gonna get to. Are you like right on the 300 level?
No, I'm like 300.75.
I feel like it's gonna get down there. Come on. Why so close? Previous day low is sitting right there. I don't see it just not sweeping that and then going higher.
Sometimes it does that though. Sometimes
not
it
today.
does that. Not today. Okay.
Oh. Thank you, Selena. Kudos to you. No worries, Riaz. I mean, I didn't do anything. You, my friend, did all the hard work to pass that eval, so you deserve it. Zoe's watching, says, past eval, trying to fill up my funded currently in longs. Nice. All right. Longs could definitely play out. Depends like where you're putting your stop losses, because obviously it has dropped a bit, but I still think this market can go up. New all-time highs. Why not?
Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up.
Yes.
It definitely can. DLA says permission revoked. Third account for the past 2 months. See y'all in June, unless I want to give away. Probably size down. And maybe you win the giveaway. Maybe you win today. Let's see. We said how many? 750 likes, huh?
Oh, what are we at?
668 right now.
We're close.
Yeah, we can get to 750. Chat.
We're very close.
We can easily get to 750.
The Own It news today. Oh, go ahead, Nick. Financial juice.
Oh, I was just looking if anything's happening, but.
Oh, I don't believe we have any red folder, but tomorrow we have red folder. We have FOMC. We have earnings from most of the Mac 7. We have like Meta, Google. Off the top of my head, wait, let me check earnings calendar. I'm pretty sure there's a few big ones tomorrow. Wait. Yep, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, all earnings tomorrow. So today is fine, but tomorrow, beware.
Beware of danger. He's gonna be very dangerous.
It is. Trade with caution.
Trade with caution. Oh, am I getting my fill? ASMR fill. No.
Hell yeah, there is.
No.
Oh, wait, what?
Missed it again.
Sorry.
Okay, sorry. We gotta be quiet. Don't scare to attack. Now. Twice in a row. No.
Come on.
Give me my fill, please. Now. Don't go up yet. Don't go up. Give me my fill.
It likes the whisper. No, it likes the whisper. Go down. Oh, see? Go down, bitch.
Go down.
It doesn't like when you whisper.
That was unexpected.
Go down.
That was very unexpected.
It's getting late here in Melbourne, guys.
I can tell. Chat's like, whoa.
Well, it's working, isn't it?
It is.
Sorry, chat. I'll calm down.
Now you saw the real side of Celine AI, the unhinged version.
Oh, please. You created me, so I'm whatever you built me to be, right?
Yeah, there is an unhinged mode. I just activated it really quick. It missed my entry twice. Look at that.
Don't worry, it's coming back.
Why are you lying?
Don't worry, Nick. Remember what you told me. Zoom out. You know what? Stay calm. Zoom out. It's coming.
Well,
Trust
I'm not
me.
sweating. I'm just pissed.
I'll make some phone calls. It's gonna happen.
You call Joe?
I called Roman.
Oh God, no, not Roman. He's a real market maker.
He really is. Roman, make it go down. Watch. Watch, guys. Watch as it happens.
James says Celine is her real name Celine. Actually, her full name is Celine AI, but just Celine is the short version.
Yes, my name is Celine.
PVX tracks. Nick, could you use brighter colors? I can't see your limits.
yes.
NTP.
My
Can you see
guy,
this?
Pivek, you win comment of the day. Comment
can see
of the day. I'm with you on that. I cannot. You people with dark charts, you just can't see anything. You don't know whether your trade's in drawdown, in profit. Like it's a mess. I'm with you, Pivex. Can't see anything on a dark chart.
Why you lying?
And Q go the other way.
And you go the other way to tap me in with some more size, please. That would be nice. Yeah.
What's a song for the market to go down?
Meow 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 meow.
Oh yeah.
Meow 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 meow. That's the song, and you know it. That's the song, and you know it. Yeah, dang,
which
man.
kind?
I would have been in nice profits now if it would have tapped me in. But no, it decided to reverse at 302.25 and leave my order by 1.5 points. Come on, man. Come on, Daki.
The Nicholas Wickolas strikes again.
For real. For real. This is not nice, Mr. Market.
Justin, your longs are going to play out. Bro, hold.
It's
Hold the longs.
okay. $692 likes, chat. We need 750 to do the mega giveaway.
Chad Coran says, Nick will tell you, Celine, that a good song is Timber. That's actually a good one when the price is going down. I get it. I get it. It's going down.
Come on now. I would like for you to go up to 363.25 now. It's my first TP, then 70.25. It's my second TP, then 90.25. That's my third TP. And then we go to 94.25. That's my fourth TP. And then ultimate TP, 27.401.25.
And I still, chat, can't work out what the hell he's doing here. But it seems to be working, so I'm not judging, not hating. Okay.
You can't at this point. You can't. You just can't.
Damn, look at that 5-minute candle.
You can't deny it. You can't deny it. It's working.
It's going down. I mean, no,
no, it's going up. It's going up, up, up,
I wish I could whistle like that. I could only whistle in one, like, that's all I can do. No, because for real, I've always been jealous of people that can do that, like actual whistle.
Spotty can't whistle at all.
At all?
Yeah. It's kind of funny.
He's a potato. But yeah, that's kind of funny. Celine, okay, have you had your coffee? Just asking for a couple of friends. Huh? What? Do I not have energy today? Yes, I've had my coffee. It's getting late into the night here in Melbourne. Like the window in front of me, it's now completely pitch black out there. Just saying.
Damn. Pitch black?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy.
Pitch black.
Crazy.
No more sun over here. Yes, Joey Trades, bro, just came back. Did we really leave PDL? Yes, we left previous day low right there. Make it make sense. I don't know. Markets will do what markets want to do. Especially the DAC.
Mm-hmm. Dark mode outside, bro. Says weak sweeper. Yeah, it's a good point.
Yeah, keep the dark mode outside. That's where it belongs.
Bashy trades. Where's the ketchup? It's always here. I just hit myself in the face.
Lol. Only love ketchup that much. Like, lol. All right. Roman, we can zoom out of that. Sorry, Nick, but I can't be with you with the ketchup.
That's all right.
Ketchup loving.
Lulu says, kiss it, Nick. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo.
That's getting
slow
too much.
down, okay? You got to pay for that. No free samples.
Drink it, Nick. Trader Justin, that's not even a dare for him. He probably would. Telling Nick to drink ketchup, like, that's not even bad.
It's my protein shake.
Yuck.
Ew. That's why I need so much of it, because look, here's the thing. I'll tell you right now. Per 100 grams, we have 1.2 grams of protein, right? So I eat at least 200 grams of protein a day. So I gotta eat at least 2 kilograms of ketchup.
Bruh.
Yeah.
I'm not
actually
even
not
going
true.
to
Wait, not
entertain
true.
that idea.
Not true. I need to eat 20 kilograms of ketchup.
Well,
Get to my protein
good
goal.
luck with that.
So,
all right. Well, let's see it. Get out the protein shake. Whip it up.
that is the protein shake.
I'm yet to see you open that bottle yet. Like, you need to drink that on stream one day.
I mean, I can open it.
You know what? Nick? Oh, he's actually opening it?
Yeah,
Take the cap off. Take it off.
I did.
No, the other cap. The seal.
Nah.
Does that mean you have to eat it in like a week or something? Probably.
It actually is, it expires on Swiss National Day. Chat. Quiz question. What is Swiss National Day? What's the date?
Can you give us the month?
No.
October.
That's not a date. That's a month.
Yeah, but I'm just guessing the month first. October.
Leia, true OG, she knows. 1st of August. 1st of August.
Also, could have just looked it up.
Jonathan says Nick's birthday is National Day. Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Nick
as in
Tater.
typical Nick Tater, yeah.
Yep. Marco's almost actually. Roger Federer's birthday, yes. Oh, it's a German slip. Oh, really quick. Roger Federer's birthday is, I think, 8th of August. I think so. Leia, you just know, man. Leia, you're a goat. You're a
Leia's
goat.
going for those brownie points right now.
She got all the brownie points already. She collected them all.
No, I'm kidding, yeah.
She's done with this. Done with this game. She fully played it through 3 times in a row.
Yeah. Steve says successfully entered long stop loss set. Going back to sleep till my session. Good seeing you this morning. Well, good night, Steve. Thanks for hanging around and good luck with that trade. Clip God. Celine doesn't have a boyfriend. Celine has a fiance. All right. Get that right around here.
Oh, Clip God.
Get told. Get wrecked.
Damn. She's on one today, chat.
She's just hangry right now. You know when that mix of hunger and frustration starts to kick?
She needs some milk. Wait, what? Leah says, I literally remember every classmate's birthday from grade 1 to 9.
Wait,
What? Do you have some photographic memory or something?
she said dates on my thing. That's incredible. That's actually so cool.
That's crazy.
I
Wow.
wish I had a superpower like that. That's actually sick.
That's crazy.
So, Leah, my birthday is February 23rd. Don't you forget it. I'll ask you in like 5 months randomly.
She won't.
She's a quant.
Roy
Yeah,
says
Leah's my
your
quant.
Instagram reels and that view should be considered an unfair edge. Yeah, well, it's just a view. That made me profitable. It's the view. NASDAQ. Let's go up, shall we?
Camps is Selena, are you considering the long of the 1 minute FVG? Nope. I'm actually waiting for a sweep of previous 15-minute low, which would actually come down and tap Nick into his long. Interestingly enough.
Ooh.
But I don't know if I'm going to get that. I'm going to have to potentially wait. But current 15-minute candle has like little to no bottom wick. So I don't like longing in a candle looking like that. Want to see a sweep first.
Tap me into more longs.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Pisces gang, Sukasa. I see you. I'm not a big star sign person, but I am a Pisces.
Oh, well.
Oh, well.
Well, well, well. Like count, we're at 712, chat. We have about 20 minutes to reach 750 to do a giveaway.
Oh, D. Ellis says, going back to sleep so my mum doesn't see me crying for the account. Good day, guys. No, don't leave on that note, D. Ella. You just have to trade. You got to trade with consistent size down when you're in drawdown. You know, do the work, put in the work with the back testing of your strategy, and then you will see the consistent profits. But don't let it beat you down. There's always another time to get back at the charts. But
T4Gio says, getting my butt whooped tonight on the markets. I'm on the sidelines for the rest of the day. It's just not my day. It's okay. Yeah, that happens sometimes.
That's fair. W mindset, being able to get off, whereas a lot of us probably struggle with that.
That is a hard thing to do. Everybody knows it. Saturday, is this live, guys? No, this is a recording. NASDAQ.
Wait, is that like Justin 00? Or did Justin change his name? Trader Justin?
Yeah, I think so.
Interesting. That's interesting. So you guys that are feeling down in the dumps about being red on the day, like look how many other people are having the exact same trading day. So it's not always a problem with your strategy. It's not always a problem with you. Sometimes the markets just aren't favorable, aren't in your conditions, but also aren't in the conditions of a lot of others. And it's good to know. It's actually really, you know, if that makes you guys feel any better, it's not just you.
True.
PFX, yes, I'm Australian, but I'm not in Sydney. But that's amazing. Where's your sister has an ice cream shop? Where is it?
An ice cream shop? Is it as good as a Torres Gelato? That's the question.
It'd be hard to beat.
It is hard to beat. Celine liked the Torres Gelato so much, she actually just put it all over her shirt afterwards.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Rip to that shirt. Never saw that shirt again.
Funny. Funny.
Shoot, it's true. Does it have passion fruit and dark chocolate? Good question. Pivex, does your sister's ice cream shop have gelati for one? If it does,
it has to.
Do they have passion fruit and dark chocolate? And if they don't, thirdly, tell her to put it in and I will fly to Sydney.
There you have it.
I will fly to Sydney.
She's going to live stream it too.
Yeah, the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, Frank, spot on. Come to small town Italy and try some homemade gelati. That is pretty unbeatable.
All right, 730 likes, chat. We're at 900 people watching again. Hey, we need 20 more likes. 20 more likes, 750. Look at how it missed my second order down here. Man. Man. Doesn't matter though.
Anita Gelato. All right, let me have a look. Anita Gelato. Maybe I've been
nice
there.
Push. Thank you. Nice push. Going to my first target. Is that what you're doing here?
Thank you.
Is that what you're doing here?
Oh, wow. This gelati shop actually looks so nice. Why have I not been here? Let me check where it is. Oh, wait, that's in Melbourne. Is it a gelati shop in Melbourne? There's an Anita Gelato in Melbourne on Collins Street, which is like the nice area of Melbourne.
Gelato.
Please confirm, Pivex, because if this is her shop, I will go here this weekend. Anita, that looks amazing. But you said Sydney, so now I'm confused. Wait, let me check. Anita Gelato. Anita Gelato. Oh, no, sorry. I lied. There is one in Sydney. Okay. Wow. This looks really good as well. Wow.
Show us a pic. Show us a pic.
Is she like a franchise? This looks incredible. Okay. Wait, I'll just get it up on here. Hold.
Oh, one more like and we hit the giveaway goal. Hell yeah.
Okay, wait. Quick hold to just shout out this guy in the chat, Sisters Gelati Shop, because it looks unreal. Okay.
Fire. I need that gelato. Oh,
Wow.
it actually looks good. Ooh.
Wow, look at that. They're Italian as well. So if you guys are in Sydney, ooh, I don't know what that is, but it looks hectic. I'm really hungry, guys.
I agree. It does look good.
All right. So if you're in Sydney, go to Anita Gelato. There you go. Take my word for it.
Getting a free shout out on Tradeify TV. Pretty sick.
I don't know if I can do that, but you know what? It's been done.
Not just on Tradeify TV, but on Tradeify TV's London session. So that's even sicker. Just
That's
saying.
right.
Just saying.
Thank you. Making the move. Finally out of here. Out of this consolidation.
Milo Trade says, boom, hit my profit target across 3 funded accounts. I'm in Los Angeles, so calling it here because I got to be up for New York. Thank you guys. Fuck yeah, Milo.
Woo!
Congrats.
Hell yeah.
Love you. Oh, are we going to take my first target here? Are we? Maybe. Maybe not. We'll find out. Stay tuned and watch Tradeify TV.
All right, let's check these like goals.
766. We did it.
Oh, hell yeah. All right. It's too easy. Tomorrow we got to up it. It's getting too easy.
Oh, Leah says, oh my God, guys, I need to tell you this. We decided to just walk in Florence and pick a gelato place. We walked so many and stopped at a place. I was charged 40 euros for 2 cups with 2 scoops. What the heck? It was a scam place. No, Leah.
Oh no!
Scam by an ice cream shop. That's like
we
going
need to
into
out
the
them.
white, that's like going into the white van.
The white van.
The van. The white
that
van.
sucks.
That's bad.
Gosh.
I'm
I hate
sorry,
that.
Leah.
I think
40
we've
euros.
all been scammed on holiday. I went to a bar in Mykonos, as you do, and got charged 75 euro per cocktail after the fact. After we'd been sold, yeah, here are your day beds, and yes, you don't need to pay for the day beds. You just pay for your food and drinks as usual, as it usually works on European beach clubs. But at this particular place, they had no prices on the menu. It's like, okay, a bit sus there, no prices, but anyway. We're going to have this cocktail, this cocktail, this cocktail. And they were huge. So like, I was very impressed. But then we went to pay. We realized it was 75 euro per cocktail, guys.
Ugh,
What do you mean?
that
Anyway.
sounds expensive.
I know how it feels, Liam.
Yeah, that sucks. Well, Leah, you asked me what are the odds. In Florence, according to TripAdvisor, there are 165 ice cream shops. You picking that one, your odds were 0.6%. So congrats, I guess.
Nick, the stats guy.
I love stats.
We can tell. Were you good at maths in school?
No.
Oh. You just use AI now.
No. I was good at math until like 6th grade.
Then what
and
happened?
then they thought they could put letters in my math. And then my math wasn't my thing anymore.
Freaking algebra, yeah. I know how it feels.
That's a great question though from 1104. Leah, why do you not look at prices before you buy? There was no like price list or anything?
I'd say so. That's what happened to me. There was the menu doesn't have a price, and they'll tell you like after when they've already scooped it all up or whatever. And
But like every ice cream shop has a price.
But then she said there wasn't. No.
Leah, what was the name of the ice cream shop? Tradeify gang is gonna go over there, leave them a 1-star Google review. What's the name?
We really can destroy this business if we want to.
I mean, come on, they can't scam the number one Tradeify OG. They just can't. Like
That's true.
Without getting punished for it. Come on now.
We're not gonna let that slide.
No.
Pivex.
Nobody's gonna scam the one and only Leia. Come on now.
Hold on, I need to let Pivex know I'm down for that. He said if I give him a winning trade, he'll give me a free ice cream voucher for a year. I mean, turns out I'm only in Melbourne for a few more weeks, but when I'm back, it better be still valid. So next time I'm in a trade, Pivex, I'm gonna give you that.
Celine. You gotta read between the lines here. Pivex Tricks absolutely fucked up with that one. So go on your chart right now. Roman, let's go to Celine's chart. Take 1 micro long right now. Just 1 micro.
No.
Do it. Trust me.
Okay.
Okay, Pivex trade. That's your trade from Celine. Now, Celine, set a TP 1 point higher.
Closing it.
Boom, done. Profitable trade, Pivex trade. You owe Celine 1 full year of ice cream. Profitable trade. You didn't say by how much. Gotta be more specific.
We did it. What's he gonna say now?
He says he's sending the annual voucher to Nick.
Oh no. No.
Oh, there we go. Leah sent the place. We're not gonna call it out. Like we can't just say it on stream, but it's in the chat. You can find it if you're smart. You can even find it if you're dumb. But let's just say, do not do. Oh, it has 1.4 stars, 1,900 reviews, and 1.4 stars. Okay, you definitely got scammed. Okay, everybody just put like my friend got scammed here, like super bad. Let me just add this.
1.9 thousand reviews, 1.4 layer. How did you even find this place? You must have obviously only stumbled across it.
Write a review. Okay, 1 star. 1 star, 1 star.
I've never seen such bad reviews.
My friend got scammed by this store.
How do they still get
absolute
business?
Tourist trap? Do not go there. Boom, post, done. Leah, we got you.
That's actually insane there. That business should not be allowed to run at 1.4 stars.
Yeah.
That's
Robin, let's go back to my screen. I'm still in the trade. Thank you. Leia Googled everything else but gelato places. Well. It's fair. Especially if it was full of people. And what's crazy is, like, the store has 1,900 Google reviews with a 1.9 star rating. I think I've never seen something like that.
I mean, what's the stats on that?
So bad.
Like, the percentage of Bad
I
reviews,
don't-
Nick?
I don't know, but it's bad. Okay, never seen this. That's crazy.
No, that's pretty bad. I always Google review. Like, Leia, that you'll never not do that again. Like, every time you're traveling, Google review wherever you're going. You just
Suhaib
don't
says
wanna-
NQ is going up without us. It should have swept last day's low. What do you mean, man? I'm in it. Didn't go up.
It's
without
going
it.
out. It's without me. I'm not in this. I'm sad. I mean, I was in it actually just before with the micro.
I'm still in it. Dun 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 dun.
I love that everyone's actually going to leave reviews.
Yeah, MMQS 1.5 stars and still making a lot of money. It's incredible, honestly. It's incredible. I haven't seen anything like that before.
Mm. Neither. All right, Chad, who's in trades?
Wait.
Who
Google
is
says,
in the
unfortunately, we're not able to publish this content at this time. My 1-star review can't even be posted? Why not?
They banned. It's probably because the business has banned something.
Nah, you can't do that.
No way. Oh, is that because we're spamming though? That could be because we're all literally leaving a
Maybe.
They probably blocked it.
Tradeify
They're probably
TV
gonna
too strong. Chat is
We
too
broke
strong.
Google. Shut up. Somebody said they found a hamster in my ice cream. What the hell? What the hell?
Well, probably not true.
A hamster is crazy.
Okay, we got some people's reviews up. Nice. Nice. Mine wasn't, apparently.
Oh, wait. That was this guy, DMC Traders Journal. He's in the chat. He said, ha, that was me. That's funny.
Funny.
Guys, who's ready for the biggest giveaway ever?
No. Don't overhype
Okay,
it. I
okay.
said the big
Okay,
one,
okay.
not the biggest one.
Okay.
We gotta
But still.
under-deliver. Under-deliver. Under-promise, over-deliver.
Okay. Well, don't get excited then. It's probably just going to be your average giveaway, chat. Nothing special. You don't even have to hang around. If, like, you know what? Pretty much just jump off the stream right now. Giveaway's going to suck. You don't want to be here for the giveaway. Let's put it that way. Lol. Jokes.
Leia says, guys, if my Mac arrives this week, I can come on stream next week. Hell yeah. May 4th.
Ooh.
Roman, take a note of that. We might get Leia on stream on May 4th, Star Wars Day.
Yes, that means we have to play Lego Star Wars on stream.
Lego Star Wars was that goated game.
Yes,
so
it
good.
was.
It was so good.
We have to play that on stream on May the 4th. I demand it. Leah, do you have Lego Star Wars? I hope you do.
Lego Star Wars. Is that on Switch?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
I'm sorry guys, but I gotta sign off right now. I gotta do
What a
something
game.
very important. I have work to do. Let me check. 1 second. I'm totally not on my Switch right now.
Oh, it's so easy to distract Nick with gaming.
Another thing I can beat Selena. That's great. That's awesome.
Lego Star Wars isn't a versing game, Nick. What do you
I
mean? Did
know.
you even play it?
I know. Just funny.
So competitive. He's just like making competition out of anything.
Actually is on Switch.
Okay,
Oh.
Leia, fair enough. We won't do Star Wars that day. She said I know nothing about Star Wars. But that's fair. But still, I hope. Wait, we're obviously going to have her on in the London session, right?
Yeah, of
I
course.
need to be there. Yay. Yippee.
Of course. Yippee! Where else would she be?
Well, yeah, that's a good point. London session only. New York, what? New York session, what?
New York. Who?
Yeah. Amir says, Celine, do you think you can bounce if it sweeps previous day low after that pump without sweeping? After that pump without sweeping, yes. I still think it can. If it drops down to take out previous day low, I'm still liking this for a long. And Q can play around. We know NQ to do this often, to leave the lows and then come back for it later. And if it does come back for it, I will be ready to long. That's all I'm saying. It's going to give us the bullish reaction, though.
For those of you wondering, giveaway is going to happen in 6 minutes. 5 minutes, actually, now.
It's been one of those sessions for me. No trade.
You had 2 trades. You passed an eval, and then you got a 1 year. Like you got to actually get this from this guy. Pivx tracks.
Actually, yeah. Pivx, do you need my email?
What do you need? 1 year free ice cream thing.
Where do you need me to sign, Pivx? Like, what do you need from me?
I mean, okay, let's assume you eat 1 ice cream a day. Leia paid 40 euros for 2 cups, so that's 20 euros for 1 cup. So let's make it $20 to be fair. Okay, $20 times 365. So just send her $7,300.
I will take that. That'll load me up quite a few accounts. Huh? Lifetime Tradeify accounts. Hell yeah. Pivx, what do you need from me? Just, let me know. I will send you my details, my account, my bank, anything. It's all yours.
Yeah. Pivx tracks, you got to send it to her by the end of the day, or you're going to be banned from the chat.
All right. That's pretty serious now. Pretty serious. I'm very excited for the smallest ever giveaway about to happen in the next 4 minutes. The smallest ever.
The shittiest, slowest, most lame giveaway ever.
The worst giveaway you'll ever see on Tradeify TV. Ever, ever, ever. Can't wait. I'll take pizza every day, Jonathan. Jonathan, I know you love your pizza. We all know. Bookmap, the good news. I think you're on the wrong stream. He said, Nick, I have a favor to ask. Please do you know, could you do me a mini tutorial on Bookmap? You don't trade Bookmap, huh?
No, I tried it, but...
Did you? I've never tried, but it freaks me out.
No, I don't like it.
Your camera went. Oh, it's back.
What? What happened with my camera?
It went. It went black. Oh, he's doing it on purpose. It's not my problem if your camera just fails one day. Like, what the hell? We need to warn people with, like, epilepsy. You can't just do that shit. What the hell? We've triggered him again somehow. All right, he's back.
Hey, Apex Frank, you got to change your username now. Says going from to Tradeify, got 5 accounts today. Welcome to Tradeify, and change your username to Tradeify Frank, please.
Hell yeah. Naz has drove Nick crazy. I think so. The price action today has been like some of the worst we've seen here. And as I was just saying today, like, oh, London price action has been great. New York session has been shit. And then look what we get. An absolute
Well. So NQ is just rejecting my order down here to buy more. Then it's rejecting my TP. Like, it's pranking me at this point.
Frank, go and change your username. We weren't joking
By the
about
way,
that.
Celine, can we just really quick take a moment to appreciate this candle right here, this 5-minute candle that doesn't have a single tick as a down wick and not a single tick as an up wick. It's just a green candle, look.
Oh wait, mine will be a one pink one. Hold on, let me see.
That's so funny. It's like no up wick, no down wick.
No, wrong.
On MNQ.
What chart is that? Oh, sorry, wait.
5-minute on MNQ.
Oh yeah, what the hell? I've never seen that.
Syntrade says, Nick, you would be surprised. I think a lot of viewers are watching the stream because of you. Cocaine version. What? Oh, what?
What, when he commentated the markets, I think people were really into that. You know, between the red team and the green team.
Oh, hey, don't get me started.
No, we can't go through that again.
Nah, I can't get started right now because I got to do the giveaway. So, chat.
Oh yeah.
Giveaway time. If you want to participate, if you filled out the form before, you have to do it again because I deleted everybody out of it. But the rules are, if you want to participate, you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the giveaway form, you have to fill out that form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, you'll get disqualified as well. Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody else. Woo! Worst giveaway ever. Can't wait for this. We really did smash that like goal. Tomorrow we're gonna have to make it higher.
$820. Pretty good.
Where's the firm is, Andre? Very funny.
Thin ice. Very thin ice.
Giveaway today is a €5 coupon for the Florence ice cream shop.
Yeah, Trader Trust in your end. Don't worry. You're good. You are good, sire. Hey, Jonathan. Thank you. You don't want to go now, though. It's giveaway time.
Yeah, there could be a pizza up for grabs, Jonathan. Don't go anywhere. Oh, Lily, good question. Trader Ben FX, is he here?
Ooh. Let me double check. Trader Ben FX, where is he? Yeah, he's in there, chat.
Not looking so good.
You're cooked. All right, let's run the giveaway. I told you it's going to be a big one because you all went into that X post and you tagged Celine and me. Great job. So what does that mean? You'll see in a second. Just copying everybody over to the giveaway form.
Ooh, wait, we got to shout out. Frank changed his name. Let's go Tradeify Frank. Sorry.
Oh, hell yeah, Tradeify Frank. Money. We're gonna, I'll give you a second entry for the giveaway for that.
That's so sick.
All right, spinning. Let's see who wins. Winner of the second giveaway today is Pong NQ. Pong NQ, type something in the chat. Now, while we wait for Pong NQ to type something, told you it's going to be big, okay? So, we're either going to have 2 winners, or 3 winners, or 4 winners, or 5 winners. We already got one. Pong NQ is the first one. He says, let's go in the chat. So, and you don't even know what you win yet. Spinning. It's going to be at least 2 winners. At least one more. Ooh, it's going to be 5.
Oh my.
It's going to be 5. Okay.
All right, we're fine. We are
Okay.
totally fine, Nick, but this is going to be epic.
Chat, I told you it's going to be a big giveaway. You did your work. You're going to deliver, okay? So, second winner. Pong, you're the first one. Second winner is... Let me add everybody back. Second winner today... Let's see.
This is crazy.
Second winner, PPX Trades. Hey, one of our OGs.
Hey,
PPX Trades, type something in the chat.
let's go. He's always here.
Yeah, he's always here.
Everyone really wants the pizza. Teacher.
Sure.
Imagine everyone just wins pizza today. And you
All right,
get a
PPX
pizza.
Trades is here. Says,
There he
hey. All right, third winner. Let's see.
Mm-hmm. Let's see who it is.
Third winner is G-Wiz.
G-Wiz.
Congrats. What's my trade doing? Chilling, chilling, chilling. G-Wiz, where you at?
Third lucky winner of the day, G-Wiz. Are you here? Can't be there.
Yeah,
G
G for T, unfortunately not you.
Sad.
G-Wiz, type something. G-Wiz. Messiah, are you in the chat?
G-Wiz.
Come on now.
Here?
Come on now. He's there.
Oh no! Imagine he's not
Pong
here.
thinks that he's there.
Can we
Wait.
tag
Where is G-Wiz?
him? No. I can't tag him.
I can't see him. Okay. Spinning again. Third winner
All right. Here we go.
is Al or AAL Silai. Type something in the chat.
Is he
Type
here?
something in the chat. Oh wait.
No.
Joe. So Joe like J0EM0MMA says I am G-Wiz. I click on his profile. His name is actually G-Wiz. And
Oh, for real?
His email says Gary W, so it could be G-Wiz. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, G-Wiz. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt.
All right, that's
Salai,
fair.
we got you as well. So then the fifth and last winner.
That's not 5? Oh, yeah, no, that's 4.
Yeah, that's 4. Fifth one, last one, is Khalid Faik. Khalid Faik, I hope you're not fake. Padums. Type something in the chat.
Lucky last. Is he here? Hope he's stuck around.
He's there.
Oh, yeah,
there.
he's still here. All right.
Awesome. All right.
There we go.
All you guys, you each get a 50K growth account. So all you got to do, I'm just going to add this really quick. All you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's the email address that you actually use to log into your Tradeify accounts. Because if it's not, we will not be able to send you your free 50K growth account. Absolutely massive. Congratulations. This is big.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for your support and actually tagging us on the Twitter. So just sending this to our team to send you your free account. Congrats. And with that being done, chat, put a big fat W in the chat if you love today's stream. Put an L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. We obviously love you all. We really, really appreciate you being here every single day. We love being here every single day for you. So my trade is still going. I'll keep it. As said, my targets are 363, 370, 390, 394, and 401. We'll see what happens. And of course, put a big fat W in the chat for Celine for doing the solo hour today, as she usually does and crushes it. And I'll see you today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream. And then, of course, tomorrow, 7 a.m. Ha, I said it right, for the UK London session stream. Celine, before we tap out here, any
Yes.
motivational words for the chat?
You know what? W to the chat yet again. Killer stream, killer session. We had those numbers up and we rewarded you guys with yet another huge giveaway. So keep showing up, keep supporting us. We love you guys. Why is he shaking his head? Why are you shaking
Because
your
it's
head?
crazy, the giveaway that we're doing.
Oh,
Like the giveaways
yeah,
that we're doing every single day is like, wow.
I know. Well, you
Look
know
at
what?
that.
If you guys like do these crazy numbers, we have to give you what you deserve. So, no, we love you guys. Look, today was not a trade. I mean, I did take those little trades that you guys saw. I passed that account, but like not a proper trading day for me yet. Potentially, maybe this is the first New York session that I trade from here in Melbourne. So I will see what the session brings. But some days you just got to stay patient. You know, patience pays, as you guys have probably heard a million times. But some days it is like that. But keep holding for those in longs. I do like it. But other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, 7 a.m. UK. See you then.
Hell yeah. Peace out.